Yeah, I just took a bitch on land. All in that lit, know what I'm saying. Tell watch the AP then. Nah, I ain't nothing like a man. I don't even know why she paying. Yeah, we stepping on shit like soldiers. Got chopper like Afghanistan. I've been tripping in the Rolls Royce. Big one to cuddling it. Yeah, I told her just do what you can, but don't ever do what you can't. They have to set like Santa. Tap out the seal on the wall, huh? Then drop shit in the fan up. Nah, I don't talk to these niggas. These niggas be cool, but these niggas be fanned up. Tell level low with the freak. And she ain't even from Atlanta. These niggas monkey see, monkey do. So you know we keep it banana. Put the top out like a can up. Instead of I ain't gotta shoot shit, but still I ain't even hand it over. We on that bitch shit with a whole lot of vibe. Tell her from business said she tryna ride. Put the fortune right on and that motherfucker glide. Seen some shit I could never speak on, but you know this shit just life. Yeah, you know I seen her around. I'm guessing tonight, that night. I thought she was capping, that motherfucker tight. Yeah, I just took a bitch on land. All in that lit, know what I'm saying. Tell watch the AP then. Nah, I ain't nothing like a man. I don't even know why she paying. Yeah, we stepping on shit like soldiers. Got I've been tripping in the road.
What the hell did I just do? Why is that my main screen? I'm so confused.
Good morning,
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Why
is my main screen my left screen? I'm super confused about that. 1 second.
Everything works
today, boys. I'll tell you that.
Where
everything's supposed to be working.
What the fuck
am I looking at?
There we go. Ready. Apologize
For that. That was a little slow.
Damn, dude.
We started the stream. There's something going on. No, we're good.
Double confirming me that there's no echo,
boys. Let me open our Streamlabs. Trading View.
Forex Factory. Let's check if there's any news. We have CPI for Canadian dollar. We have pre-London session news. London open. Nothing coming up. I'll fix that. I'll fix that right now. Hello. Is there still an echo? There we go. My camera was capturing audio. Dude, why do these settings reset? I'm pretty sure we're good now. Don't scare me, boys. We're good now. Confirm to me, chat. There we go. You had me scared for a second, boys. Whew. Good morning, chat. How's everybody doing today? Alright, the music back on. That song sucks ass. Oof, dude, price action is lit right now. Lit. This was the last trade I took. I'm actually on a 3-loss streak, boys. There's a 3-loss streak going on. I don't remember the last time I was on a 3-loss streak. I actually need to log those trades in. And I was gonna look for the 3-loss streak, the last one I've been on, but I'm not gonna do that right now. How's everything, Cactus? Everything's lit. What it do, Arnold? Saxy. Ooh. Well, pre-London gave freaking Christmas presents to everybody. This pre-London volume was lit. Me realistically looking at this 4-hour candlestick chart, candles got very big. I think that this is all I'm paying attention to when I'm talking about price action right now. This is very bullish. This right here needs to get wick filled to the left hand side. This is actually a trade where you pretty much take the long and throw a 30 pip stop. I mean, no, we're not gonna just fucking take a blind long. But that 4-hour candlestick, this is a continuation. We have a bullish candlestick, continuation candlestick, and now it looks like we're gonna have a continuation of what was that candlestick right there. That is what I'm anticipating right now. Now we're gonna look on the small time frames and see if we see any price action that indicates us that it's not gonna retrace anymore, because we don't want to hop in and infer it's a freaking. We don't want for like what VIP whatever. We don't want what happened yesterday to happen to us. Everything going good, bro. I've been good. I need to get a coffee. They're making coffee. Well, there's coffee downstairs, so in like 5 minutes I'm gonna go get a coffee, and I'm gonna be here for a while, boys. We're going all the way to the New York session. We're going all the way to New York session. So let's see what trades we could catch today. All right, let's put gold right here. What did gold do on the daily candlestick chart? Gold decided to keep on going. All right, so gold is actually one of my favorite setups, by the way. We always talk about it on the stream. What gold is doing right now is that it is, well, on the daily candlestick chart, it was always respecting the 8 SMA. That 8 SMA got disrespected, and we started trading beneath it, right? So we had break, well, we respected it, then we broke through it. Then we had retest, and now we continue broken through. So there was a break and retest of the 8 SMA to the downside, break, retest, and we kept on going. As well as we respected the 8 SMA to like fake out the fact that we were going to keep on going bullish, and then we went lower. I think that now we're going to recover that 8 SMA. I think that this 8 SMA now, it's one of my favorite setups whenever price starts trading beneath this 8 SMA. And out of nowhere, you know, it's trading beneath it, sellers hop in, and then boom, it recovers it really quickly. And then, you know, you continue with the wick fills of everything right there. Pretty sure I can find a set. It's kind of like what happened right here. Disrespected the 8 SMA, and then it slowly recovers it and then goes. I think that we could do that. I think we could have like a fake out recovery, and it can keep on going long. Higher probabilities on gold are longs. Ooh. I was gonna do an Instagram post. Let's see what this is. All right. Buenas Bosquito. Bosquito. I'm gonna open up my computer, my iPad in front of me so I can see the chat in front of me. I have to look away. Boys, let's have a giveaway today. We have not had a giveaway in a while. I'd love to see it. Oh, I apologize for that. Alright, now I could what it do, Sagar? Ah, man, realistically, GJ longs obviously look like freaking gold right now. And when I say gold, I mean they look really good. Oh my god, GJ's doing the same thing on this time frame that we're looking at, this 30-minute. We're trading beneath the 8 SMA, right? Same setup, boys. Same setup as what I was talking about. We're trading beneath the 8 SMA, right? We had a break and retest of it. Now is where sellers get triggered in. And where the smart buyers watch the 8 SMA get recovered quickly and new highs get made. Anybody currently selling a trade right now? Do I trade futures? Not really. Where's Spadas? I have no idea. I'm trying to come back, bro. I'm on a 100K challenge trying to save it. Esteban, you got this. You gotta, dude, the best performances of challenges come when you think it's all over. Because then you start, that's the clearest psychology mindset, believe it or not. It's not the safest, but it's one of the clearest mindsets. Whenever you think it's all over. Alright, boys. Anybody in GJ Longs right now? Anybody currently in GJ Longs? Ooh. You were in the morning, but you closed out. Let me make sure the Discord has the link to the stream. Alright. Still holding same trade from earlier. Entered again. Alright, so right now it is 5:30. We're about to get a 30-minute candlestick close. The 30-minute candlestick close is closing at resistance right now, as well as closing at the 8 SMA. I think the next 30-minute candlestick is actually going to probably open with some momentum and break through it. If not, I mean, it need to start going down now as we speak. This is going to open with momentum to the top or to the bottom. Pretty obvious. It's only all options. But we're going to be able to have a good idea of what's going to happen with this next 30-minute candlestick. We're not going to rush ourselves into any trades, boys. Like I said, rare situation. I've stopped freaking. I'm on a 3-loss streak, boys. I'm struggling. So y'all freaking want to take my trade today? You can win with me, lose with me, or you can just reverse trade me and probably freaking. Oh, look, opening up with momentum to the top side. It's kind of what I anticipated. No bottom wick, which is actually pure momentum. Wow, this is getting ready to go. On the hourly candlestick chart, you see the 8 SMA has been respected. Hourly candlestick did not even start trading beneath it. No bearish indicators, boys. If anybody's looking for sells as we speak right now, you are gambling. What did you do, Darren? I got to read your message, brother. I got to read your message. Still holding same trade from earlier. I already saw that. Let me turn up the lighting a little. There we go. Is that a little too bright now? I feel like it's a little too bright. Jesus Christ. Alright, GJ, what you gonna do right now? No. No. I am at my wife's parents' house right now. I'm at my wife's parents' house. I'm about to go downstairs and tell her father friggin' get me a I took you a picture of me. No, I'm just saying. I just took a bitch out lane. I gotta trip off the sand. Bottas is back, boys. Bottas is finally back. Alright, boys. 4-hour candlestick. You can see bullish, bullish, bullish. The wick fill is currently happening. I'm a little bit too intimidated to hop in at resistance right now due to the fact that I do not want to throw a stop loss just only beneath these support levels. That's not gonna be the best it's not gonna be the smartest move for me to do. Now, is it a valid setup? It is a valid setup. It just does not have the highest probability of hitting. The retracement is bound to happen there. The retracement is literally bound to happen. Ooh, I so need a coffee right now. I'm surprised you removed me from the VIP. Dude. This guy Chris is freaking crazy in the head. That guy that says I removed him from the channel, that's freaking... No. Dude, that guy that freaking... the guy that is the guy that I was telling you guys about, got him gaming, that randomly out of nowhere when we all hit TP1 and then it went back. He was like, yo bro, I blew my account because of you. You never said to close at TP1, blah blah blah. He was like, you're changing. I can't believe that you're freaking charging people to trade New York session. And I was like, bro, don't get offended, bro. It's fine. Like, I'll give you the free New York session. Like, just chill. And then he was like, you know what, bro? I lost my last trade, so whoever wants to freaking have my last money in my trading account could have it for free. And then, like, I deleted his messages, so I'm like, yo, why are you offering money for free if you're gonna start quick trading? Like, what are you doing right now? You're just making a show. Like, we hit TP1. And then he starts texting me, bro, stop acting like we closed profit at TP1. That shit hit TP1 and came all the way back. And I was like, yo, what is this guy on? Like, I'm not sure what channel. Why are you speaking so slow? You're scaring the shit out of me. Because I just woke up, brother. Just woke up. Talk to me slick. No. We're not in this trade. I apologize. Oof. I got my iPad in the way where I can't even like see that shit. Peso ASMR. I need some like water or something. Alright, looking at the hourly candlestick on gold. Wow, we could catch some sells on gold. Wow, we could catch some sells on gold, boys. Dude, some gold sells right now really would do it. And the only thing I'm really liking when I talk about gold sells is due to the fact that we have this huge hourly candlestick that wicked upwards. This wick, a lot of people are going to interpret it as that there's bullish price action. It is potentially what it's indicating. But what I could tell you is that that wick looks like, I mean, with all this bearish momentum, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bearish candlesticks in a row, I mean, having all that bearish momentum, you could clearly get a great idea that we're going to continue to the downside. The probability say we should go down, as well as me seeing this wick fill set up. Man, I would be surprised if it doesn't go down. Hi, bro, can you see gold? Yeah, we're looking at gold right now. Let me see the hourly 4-hour candlestick chart. 4-hour candlestick chart looks like it's supposed to, I mean, we're trading beneath this 50 SMA and beneath this 8 SMA. We're beneath both of them, right? You see, we're beneath it. It's beautiful price action. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, sorry. The better setup on gold sells for sure. So I love the fact that price is rising right now. Probably gonna just give me a better opportunity. Oil. I don't trade oil at all, brother. At all. So like I can open oil. What is it, WTI? What's the ticker symbol? Are we just looking at oil? Literally oil. Alright, boys. Let's fucking focus up and try to have a good trading session today, because we do, dude, I am on a losing streak, boys. I am on a fucking 3 losing streak. That should have been the goddamn title of the goddamn fucking YouTube channel. Of the YouTube channel of the YouTube video. Nope, that's not working. I gotta figure that out. Alright, let's check out gold oil. WT. Alright. Gold uptrend or downtrend? What do you think? Gold on a downtrend. Gold is on a downtrend. I mean, because whenever we're talking about like what should we do for our next trade, like if you're telling me what I think the week is going to end on, I would be able to tell you, hey, look, gold, potentially this is a reversal wedge, right? We have our impulse, and then we have our correction phase, and now we are looking for another impulse, right? That's the way the market reacts. But when it comes down to focusing on what we're going to do with our next trade setup, I mean, we're focused on what this recent structure is telling us, right? Yes, there's a little bit of a, you know, down channel, side channel. I mean, not really. Like it's more of a reversal wedge. We have points being hit on this trend line on the downside. And like, yeah, that could be a reversal wedge. Price could start flying. Nonetheless, what we are focused on is the fact that this market structure right here, and we erase everything to the left. We erase everything, and we see that we're making lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows. It's actually a little bit of a ripple fib going on here as well. Ripple fib, you guys know I talk about ripple fibs whenever the same level of support or resistance is being held, and then we have descending levels of resistance or support getting attracted towards it. So that's the formation you see right there. Hey crew, I just gave Peso another 200k to manage, and that's how confident I am. Did you send those credentials, Darren? Where is that? I hate opening any messages on stream. That's also a lot of the reason that I don't look at your guys' messages on Discord, because that's how I get you guys to friggin' expose your guys' selves, which I've exposed many credentials before. Yeah, once something happened, but Darren, dude, Darren's a freaking goat. Darren's one of those guys you guys don't know about, but Darren, I can't wait to put him on stream with us. We could literally, I was gonna say we could invite the VIP channel right now to the stream. Everything should be working, but everything should have been working when I first got on stream. You guys, I had to like fix my camera, I had to like freaking fix the screen thing, but potentially we should. Dude, gold cells are looking real juicy. Gold cells. I am best trading. I love that confidence. I love that confidence. If you have the confidence to tell yourself that you're the best trader in the room, you're definitely going to be able to, you know, show up when it comes down to execution. That's a good way to put it. Doesn't mean you're the actual best trader, but definitely you could perform very well under that mindset. What are we doing, boys? What are we doing? Are we waiting for GJ to set up perfectly so we could actually, I mean, I also like about GJ, we're at the 190-700 above. We're above the 190-500s. What does being above the 190-500s means? It's a strong part of my strategy that whenever I'm trading above, like I use these psychological levels. For example, we have 191 on that green line, and then we have 190 right here. So I look at every 100 pip ranges, right? And every time we're at a 100 pip range, I always focus on the middle point. So 190-500. We are trading right now above 190-500. And that is where, you know, so why do I like that? Because remember, support and resistance always act as magnets. So when it comes down to price, support and resistance act as magnets. So when it comes down to like price being above the one, you know, this middle point, which is the 19500, I'm most likely thinking, hey, price has a higher probability chance of coming to this resistance and then eventually breaking it, because that's what happens if we're going to start coming down. So if we were trading beneath this little line right here, beneath this one, you know, most likely we're coming down towards this level of support, etc. All right. Yo, Baras, you there? Did I do bad kicking that Gotham Gaming guy? Remember that we were in a private chat when we were asking, like, yo, what's this guy's problem? Like, why is he just trying to sabotage everything, even though we were like on a freaking 5-win streak, and then price hit TP1, and then it went back to stop loss, and I didn't tell him to close TP1, and then he was like, yo, bro, you blew my account, blah, 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 blah. And I was like, yo, chill. And then remember, we went into a private chat and we were like, yo, this guy's literally just fucking sabotaging all over our chat, like literally just telling everybody that I'm like, that's what he was just trash talking. And I approached him and I was like, yo, bro, like, I was like, chill, whatever you want, like, I got you. Do you want a refund? I got you. Like, just chill, like, it's fine. Like, I'm sorry that I didn't add you to New York session. I'm sorry you lost your trade. And he was like, no, bro, that I've been trading for many years and I'm done with this shit, blah 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 blah. And he literally just went fucking crazy. And he started like bitching and pitching everywhere. And then I literally looked at my mods, which was Baras, and I was like, yo, Baras, what do we do? And Baras was like, bro, I don't know why I haven't kicked that guy yet. If it's in the blue, up to you to take your profit. I agree with that. Dude, I was gonna show his messages that he sent me, because he kept on like freaking bitching at me, and I literally just kept on like being like, yo, bro, I'm sorry. And cells, what are we talking about? GJ cells? Yeah, I mean, he was a very, 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 very older guy. But like, for example, I mean, I don't know. No, but Baras, you recall the conversation of me literally fucking being like, yo, bro, I'm sorry. Like, chill. Like, I was just trying to de-escalate everything. There was actually nothing happening. He was just upset because he freaking lost his trade. Like, come on, dude. He literally like wrote in the free chat, who wants my last $50 in my account since I blew my trading account with FX Peso? And we were on a 5-win streak. And then I texted him. I was like, yo, bro, if you want to give your last $50 away, why would you just make an announcement like that on I was like, you're just calling for negative attention. What are you doing, bro? Yeah, telling somebody to chill. The thing is, I'm not gonna freaking go and start like bitching at some older dude, or I'm not gonna start like for what? I did nothing wrong. Like, I literally did nothing wrong. He hated the fact that I opened a New York session signal. That's what it was. He loved me. He came every single night. It's the Gotham Gaming guy. Remember, guys, Gotham Gaming? He was here every night. He started hating me when I opened up it. Yo, the cells on gold look insane right now. I'm a little bit scared. Because I'm not used to trading gold at this time. Actually, I am. The gold cells. I'm thinking what to do. I lost my train of thought. Need some water. I need my coffee. I don't know, at first he sounded normal, maybe tough moment for him. No, he was always normal. Gotham Gaming was always normal. He just freaking came at me hard when I opened up a New York session signals. He sent me like 3 paragraphs explaining to me that he's been around the industry for a very long time. And he explained to me that he's seen exactly what everybody's route's been through, and he knows exactly the path I'm going through, and he thinks that I'm very, very, very greedy for opening up a New York session signals and not including it in the London VIP. And then I was like, bro, you know what? I gave him the reason. I was like, you're right. I could refund you the London and I will put you in both for free. And I think I did do that. Like that's the level I went to of like, yo, chill. And then he was like, no, bro, it's not about the money. But then he was trying to give away his last $50 when he blew up account. I'm trying to not scream because I have my wife's like friggin' little sister in the room next to me. She's probably gonna kill me. Real setup for lifetime in what? In you want that energy? I'll bring you that energy, Badass. Well, we're gonna be here till New York session until we catch our trade. Like I said, boys, I'm on a fucking 3-loss streak. 3-loss streak. I'm not thrown off by it. But GJ has played with my feelings, and I think it's maybe because I'm trying to rush it too hard. What is a good firm that pays? Many good firms that pay, brother. Many good firms that pay. Now, I kind of stopped recommending firms to people. Mate, I have been around for probably longer than him, but I know that talent when I see it. That's why you got that extra. Darren, I appreciate you, brother. Darren, I mean, depending on what time you get off, we could easily hop on a call. Let's see, I haven't been in. Let me see if I got those credentials from you. Yes. Oh, I'm gonna log in right away. Give me a second, boys. Well, next trade we take here, we're taking it on this account, Darren. Let's get this shit started here as we're here. Let's go. Let's freaking get going. Chat. What trades are you guys in, chat? I want to know what the chat's in. All these guys that have been in the industry so long, why are you here taking signals? A lot of them aren't taking signals. A lot of people that have been here for a long time, a lot of people come here for many reasons. Not everybody comes here. I think about 20% of the people on the stream come here for signals. Majority of the people come here because, first of all, we're all family. Second of all, it's about different perspectives and market outlooks, and you never stop learning. You could be in the industry you could be the guy that created the industry, and you're never going to stop learning. The industry is always here for learning. Yeah, a lot of people come here for the vibes. A lot of people come here for the music. A lot of people come here to freaking get distracted when they're in their GJ trade. A lot of people come here to freaking watch me lose. A lot of people come here to reverse trade my trades. A lot of people come here to freaking just see the bias. A lot of people come here to troll. Darren's here just freaking. Darren's not even freaking waiting for my signal. So when you were talking kind of to Darren, Darren doesn't take my signals. So, I mean, I guess that question is for Darren to answer. Man, I can't wait till I have Darren on Zoom chat live with you guys. Like, dude's a fucking awesome guy. Very interesting guy, that's what I meant to say. Remember the real setup all your life. What? Remember the real... Yo, what's up with this guy? Yo, Paras, we need some more mods in here. What the fuck is going on? I don't even know what he was saying, but I'm gonna hide because I don't know. I don't know what the fuck he's saying. Y'all were reading what the hell that guy was writing in the chat. I have no idea. We got 3 bans already today. 3. Trading is a lonely business. Sometimes it's nice to hang out with a crew that has similar mindset to succeed. I agree. I agree. I stand by it all the time. I always say it to you guys. I'm always like, bro, the one thing that helped me, all right, so GG's price action died out completely, which throws me off a little bit on this long. I'm a little bit thrown off, and gold has continued rising, so I'm happy that I've been patient so far. The patience has paid off. It is about 8 minutes till we have an hourly candlestick close, so let's focus up to see where this next hourly candlestick close is going to come. If this closes as a like this, bro, this is clean sells. I think we might have to take the sell, which is something that I kind of fear. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of, being in a 3-loss streak, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna take a freaking easy GJ trade, 70 to 80% win rate setup, you know, and keep it moving. I didn't think I was gonna come in here and tell you guys, boys, potentially we're taking a gold setup. Gold setup, we throw like a 40 pip stop loss, or it's 40 too much. So we're at 2153.5. So 2153.5, maybe we go 2056.5. 30 pip stop loss. If we go 57.5, we ain't never gonna get there. 53.5, so we go for 49.5. That's the 1-to-1. Oh, price is still rising. I'm gonna be a little bit more patient, boys. Let's wait for the next hourly candlestick closure. Let's wait for the next hourly candlestick closure and see if we get the market structure that I want. Boys, if we take a gold trade, quickly, if you're gonna risk $1,000, you're taking a 2.5 lot, right? Yes, 2.5 lot.
This is all I ever wanted, nigga. Why would I let you take it from me, nigga? I ain't stupid, ain't no dummy, nigga. A couple fingers on a
I didn't really understand what this guy wrote, but it's definitely something. He said, all right, do you agree that most of the time gold shows us that it has a downward or upward trend, but do you see that the trend turned and left everything behind? Yeah, what I think we mean by that, dude, like gold has a mind of its own. Gold will be completely trending one way and then completely will trend another way and then completely will trend. You gotta follow you definitely gotta follow the trend when it comes to gold. You definitely gotta follow the momentum. That's the way I like calling it. Can you quickly do a UJ breakdown? Give me 2 minutes to see if I'm gonna hop into this gold sell, and I'm explaining for if we do hop in a gold sell and I tell you guys impulsively, let's sell. I'm taking a 40 pip stop loss. 40 pips is 40 pips, 400 pips. I'm not sure what you guys consider it, but price we're at, for example, right now we're at 2153. Let's say 0.5, 2153.5. So we'd go to 2153 plus 4, 2157 plus 5. This is at plus 7, so 21. But yeah, that's 40 pips for where it is right now. 2153.7 to 2157 to 53 to 57. 4 pips, 40 pips. 40. I call it 40 pips as well. Is that some people use this and they just call it 400 pips because of that right there. So I always make sure it's clear. Oh, boys. I've lost since last week Friday, I'm pretty sure. What day is it today? Tuesday. I really want a dub across the board. Alright, 5 minutes till hourly candlestick closure. Ah, dude, it respected the 8 SMA already. I'm gonna finish logging in on these accounts, boys. Sagar, we're gonna take the next trade on your account as well. Let's get this bitch started. Boys, we're not in this trade yet, though. We are not in this trade yet. Please do not just hop into the trade. Remember, guys, whenever we hop in a trade, I'm going to sound like goddamn a rusty pelican from Finding Nemo going buy, or sell. So I'm going to make it very clear. If you guys just see a P&L up, boys, it is not because we are in a trade. Wow, there's no potential setup with UJ right now. No potential setup with UJ right now. UJ has left us. So, like, I don't know if somebody asked me to break it down, but I'm not really sure what I could break down here. That's interesting to see that. I mean, yeah, across the board, we've had a huge impulse to the top side, which is giving direction to us. It's giving direction to us. A lot of people get thrown off whenever the charts start rallying without them. When the charts start rallying without you gotta step back, and let it play out. You know, don't rush into, don't try to catch a what is it, a hot knife. Don't try to catch a hot knife. Don't try to freaking catch a train that's already rallying. You know, you sit back and you wait for the pullback. You sit back and you wait for the new setup. Remember, trading comes in waves. So if there's a huge wave that just happened, yeah, there's gonna be a freaking moment where volatility dies out and it's being stale. That's kind of what's happening right here. We're going through like the low volatility moment. We're going through the correction phase, right? We had our impulse already, and now we're going through a little bit of a correction phase. A correction phase doesn't always need to be a retracement. A correction phase doesn't always need to be. Correction phase is just where you lose a volume compared to what was the previous impulse. So there's sometimes impulse, correction, range, impulse. You know, that's totally an impulse correction as well. Just like impulse, correction, that's the correction, and then impulse. How to participate in today's giveaway? We have to reach 100 likes. Once we reach 100 likes, then everybody participating in the 100 likes is a part of today's giveaway. We're gonna do a raffle on stream. 100 likes for a giveaway. That is what we need to be doing. What was I gonna say as well to you boys? Oh, did I stream yesterday? I had a private stream due to the fact that, like I said, I'm at my wife's house, my wife's parents' house, and I brought my whole setup with me. I brought a desk, I brought multiple lights, I brought multiple cameras, I left my monitors, so I bought new monitors. The Wi-Fi was not strong enough, so then we went through, like, we replaced the Wi-Fi, we bought extenders, we bought mesh routers. That still didn't work. And so we completely decided to just buy the longest possible cable and run it directly through the modem, directly to me. And today in the morning, in a couple hours, somebody will come and actually put it through the walls and all that. But we're goddamn going through construction in this house just so I could stream for like fucking 3 days, or I don't know. They want me to stay longer. Who knows how much I stay, but yeah, you know, right now we're not gonna be screaming anymore on stream. We're not going to be doing, you know, none of that right now. None of that. Gotta be a little bit chill. Happy you listened. In what sense, mileage? Yo, we should start posting TikToks also I could access. I'd love that, Badass. That last idea that we had, that would be amazing. No, I'm just gonna buy a monitor. We had to go to his warehouse where he had extra monitors, and then I don't know where he pulled out an MSI. What is this? An MSI Optics G32. I mean, it's only 165 hertz. It's not 240 hertz, but what about gold? Oh, dude, this looks juicy for sale. This why would anybody buy right now? That does not look like a buy. Dude, I brought everything. I'm talking about, like, you do not know how many cables I need for this microphone. You have no idea how many cables I need for everything around me. Microphone stands, light stands, ring light, poles to hold up my green screen. I got a box right here. A huge box. Just filled with like this thing was full of cables, and everything's obviously in front of me right now. Keyboards, and that was after I spent about on that was and last week I just literally decided to fucking fix my cable management, and I told my wife, hey, look, for my birthday boys, remember my birthday was on March 9th, the day of March 9th, I fixed my cable management. My cable management was insane. It was all like put with little zip tied up, every little cable zip tied up, and it was taped to the bottom of my desk. And then I don't know where my wife is like, yo, we gotta go. Well, it's my dad's and it's my sister's birthday and blah, 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 blah. And that's why you don't answer the phone to your parents or your wife's parents. All right, this looks like a cell. I gift my father a TV. I'll buy myself a monitor later. Have to earn for some bucks. Blog on setup, please. Oh, I could do that. That'd be pretty fun. Good idea, Sagar. Oh, I need to finish logging in. 1 second, boys. I apologize. I'll break down. So what other charts do you guys want me to break down for now? I'm currently waiting for my trade, boys. Like I said, I'm on a 3-loss streak. I'm not going to stop saying it because I'm pretty impressed by it. The second I started freaking bragging to my VIP chat. So yeah, yesterday I didn't stream because the internet was fucking bugging. But I did go on private Zoom with my private VIP. No matter what, like for example, last week, if some badass was like, yo, we only had, well, yeah, we only had 2 live streams. Nonetheless, I'm pretty sure every single day we got together with our VIP. So that's actually what that's what's important to me right now, which is making sure that the VIP gets the VIP access, VIP attention, etc. And whenever I can't come on live stream, I mean, I'm always gonna be able to get on a VIP Discord call. All right, Darren, we're in. I just took a bitch off land. I don't chip out sand. Tell her watch the AP dance. Don't tell me that, you're gonna throw me off. Do not tell me that, you're gonna throw me off. Alright, let's put a good playlist because I feel like this playlist is slack-a-dacking. Like, I know. It's first step is recognition, boys. Right, what I mean by that, I recognize that I'm a little bit thrown off by taking my next trade. Is it because of my losses? I have no idea, but there's definitely something thrown off about me. Now, is it normal? Yes, dude. Yes, it's the same conversation when we have, like, they're like, oh, people ask me, how do you erase your emotion from the trade? It's like, no, dude, there is emotion in the trade. Why? Because I care. I obviously care what happens. I care about the result. Therefore, emotion will always be tied to this trade. And it's the same thing when it comes down to being thrown off after a loss. You're always going to be, you know, like, not thrown off completely, but like definitely it's a different mindset when you're coming off of a loss. Now, what are the chances? Oh, by the way, we didn't discuss about Mike Tyson and Jake Paul fight on stream. Brother, it's an easy dub. Alright, well, GJ looks like it's still ranging. I think it's still gonna go bullish. Even though if it's giving us this little bit of a like correction phase, telling us, hey, Mike the GOAT though. Mike is the GOAT. Mike is one of my favorite people in the world. He's such a freaking sweetheart. He's gonna get his ass knocked out. Let's check out EU. So what we see with EU is that we are very, very bearish with momentum. So what does this mean? Probably means that the DXY is probably rallying right now. This is the DXY, and yes, it is rallying. So we see the DXY has recovered a lot of its freaking downfall, right? A lot of its downfall. DXY goes up and down in waves. Let me go back to EU. Let's focus on only EU. EU is definitely going through bearish price action. Daily candlestick chart, I usually don't tell you guys to take buys whenever it's a hot falling knife, but man, this is one of my favorite setups. I know I say that a lot, but it's whenever the daily candlestick chart or whenever any candlestick chart is beneath the 50 SMA. right? Because this is an indicator of like the 50 SMA is like, yo, it's, you know, that's like the last level of support, and we're disrespecting the last level of support. I have a feeling that there is a chance that we leave a wick here, and then it doesn't mean that we're gonna go bullish, right? I mean, this is the daily candlestick chart. There's only so much you could do, but I have a feeling that this might not be the end of the story here. There might be a little bit of a retracement, but now I wouldn't do shit. Like I said, this is a wave that already happened. There's a wave already that happened, and you missed out on the wave. Wait for the next setup. The setup already happened. You can't catch the setup while it's already happening. So I mean, when I see EU, I see it bearish. Obviously, like how many days in a row we've been bearish, but it's hard to ignore the fact that we might start, you know, rejecting. Statistically a very hard trade to catch though. Daily candlestick chart on GJ. Daily candlestick chart on GJ has had a very strong push rally to resistance. Now, are we going to fly through this resistance, or are we going to come back all the way back down? That's the question we got to start asking ourselves. We got to start looking at the daily candlestick chart, right? For those who have not caught any setup today, watch the daily candlestick chart, and now we start asking ourselves, is this daily candlestick chart going to leave a huge wick to the top side and come back and close around here? Or do we see this continuing to wick fill, continuing to fill, and then I don't know where maybe it leaves a wick up here. This is the wick fill that we leave, and then it closes around resistance. No idea. But I mean, I'm more towards the buys than the sells right now, if that helps anybody. Gold has decided to not go up yet, so I like the fact that me being patient has paid off. I ain't afraid to say I love you. Ooh. This song is fire as fuck. You have not missed much. Alright, yo Duncan, buy this. I found golf shoes looking nuts. Send the link. Alright. But I sent a screenshot. I can't open that. Truthfully, the vibes that I'm getting, and it's not really giving me that picture right now in this current candlestick. The vibes, send it to me to Discord. The vibes that I'm getting is I mean, seeing these 30-minute candlesticks all just raise their levels of support, I feel like randomly there's going to be a 30-minute candlestick that just really goes with momentum, and then that's what's going to set the fact that, oh, we didn't retrace. It's just going to keep on going. Boys, one's in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ. One's in the chat if you're looking on buys on GJ. Two's in the chat if you guys are looking for sells on GJ. What is the chat looking for right now? Muhammad sell, Arnold sell, dummy sell. Okay. Boys, one's in the chat for buys, two's in the chat for sells. What do you guys think? $3,000 for what? That shit's an Air Force, boy. That shit better be 3,000 Indian rupees. Oh. All right, we got Guillermo with the dose, mileage with 1, width with 1, red eye 1. Guillermo sitting on hands right now, waiting for a setup. Yeah, right now it's I truthfully, really, I mean, not even that I believe. I mean, trading comes in waves. It's not a belief. It's not a trading comes in waves. These setups comes in waves. Market has a setup for you. If you know, some take it, some lose, some miss out, and then it happens. And then from there, you need to wait for the chart to reset itself. But you definitely cannot just try to anticipate, like hop into something after it already happened. You know what I mean? I'm glad I didn't take this sell. I still think it should sell off. I'm very impressed by the fact that it's rallying. This if it doesn't go bearish right now, it's gonna have to recover all of this, like up to this resistance. Very interesting to see. Patience has paid off, boys. Patience has paid off. Alright, well, that shit didn't play out how I wanted. And GG's going bearish. Yeah, we're gonna be patient today, boys. Wow. I'm about to go get my coffee from downstairs. Alright, in the middle of the range, my mother used to say, don't fiddle in the middle. Oh my god. In the middle of the range, my mother used to say, don't fiddle in the middle. That's pretty funny. Dude, look at gold. That would have been clapped. Oh my god, that would have been 4 times in a row. So now you see, like, it's just like, oof, oof, oof. Thrown off, erased from the mentality. What is up? What is up? Don't fiddle in the middle. Definitely would have happened. Dude, I'm about to go for the freaking GJ long. I'm telling you, this thing looks long. Too many people said sells in the chat. Too many. Don't fiddle in the middle. I like that. I have this my wife's mom gave me this bracelet. It says be strong, be brave, be fearless. You are never alone. Joshua 1-9. Stop playing with the kid. I'm blessed. Dude, I really want to scream and shit. I don't think it's appropriate for me to do that right now. Look. Oh. Oh wow, the music stopped. Alright. Bro, how do you deal with a losing streak? Because that usually is the point where trades start to doubt themselves and switching strategies. What would your advice? It takes a little bit of experience to be able to, you have to go through it to actually be able to get out of it. And it's not getting out of the losing streak. Nobody can get out of a winning streak or get out of a losing streak. It's getting out of the mindset, right? You don't want to have that mindset, and it's always lurking there. Yes. So what is my approach? I mean, over time you develop an actual, like when I say that I have confidence in my strategies and confidence in my abilities, it's not because I'm here fucking just trying to tell you I have confidence and lie to myself. It's literal. It's literal. I feel like I know where the charts are going so many times. I feel like I know where the charts are going. So, oh my god, this guy knows exactly. Did he just draw out my tattoo? Yeah, he just literally drew out my tattoo with those freaking symbols. Damn, boy. How the fuck? I don't even know you could type those fucking symbols there. Aren't they? Is that how? Those are like, those are Chinese symbols. Those aren't even words. Those are Chinese symbols. And oh my god, I don't even know if it's Chinese or I feel like an idiot now. Might be Japanese, might be Chinese. That's probably not. It's Japanese. I apologize. What does it mean? It's Chinese? Oh my god. Jesus Christ, you see that? Just completely lost in life. You got strength, power, stability. It's like a symbol, you know? So each one of these things they mean multiple things. And then when you put multiple symbols together, that's how you make words, right? This one's strength and stability, which is the first one he put. The second one, it's like hope. Second one is like a good representation of how to say hope. So bravery and strength. This one's my mother. Hope. This one's my father. This little guy looks like a little soldier. This one's like bravery. It's my little brother. And this one's beauty. It's my sister. And then we got the Buddha itself, which is me. Check it. Oh, I don't even know where the camera is. A little bit of latency. It says made in China. Mine says no corona. Dude, I would have been clapped. Clap. Chirp, chirp, chirp. En el telón mapi chirp. Cuando me olvida que el telón mapi chirp. Why beautiful? Because each one of those little symbols represents somebody in my family, and that one's my sister. The beautiful soul. Right? Freaking put it on some. I'll put it on my forehead. Some shaking resin and she puts it in a bowl and she plugs in a heated blanket and wonders why Inca symbols? I can't do that. I'm Chilean. Chileans are freaking Incas already. I'm not gonna put Inca symbols on me. I'm already considered a goddamn Indian. Alright, we have gold. Dude, gold is going. Wow. What's funny is that I didn't take the gold setup because I was a little bit too sure that it was going to go down. And when you're a little bit too sure on something, it's probably because it's not going to happen. Dude, I'm on a 3 losing streak. I'm actually in a freaking crisis right now. I need to get out of it now, today. Gold on weed. Yeah. Boys, mic and audio, I mean mic sounds good, and camera. I know that there's like a huge shadow right here because I don't have like any, like I have white light that's pointed that way. I'm like, come on, bro, what's up with the shadow? But it is what it is. It doesn't look horrible, right? Fuck it, take some edibles. No, what my I have a little strategy. Comes out and tells her she ain't gonna hurt no more, but he can't give her. Can I take you higher? I wanna take you for a ride on the big jet plane. She's just tired of not knowing, so she Gold definitely has a mind of its own. That's the best way to put it, bro. Dude, is that like, this is typically where my ass would fucking take a buy, like where it was before, and that's typically where my ass would always get clapped on gold. Like, I'm telling you, this is a sell setup. I'm kind of thrown off right now because I don't know if I want to take it or not. I'll be patient. It's not that I'm thrown off, I'm a little bit impatient right now. A little bit impatient. Maybe an edible would help. I wanna take you. Hey boys, and the audio's also good. I mean, not the audio, the music in the background's at a good level. Play some good music.
What does it really mean to follow God? Like, as I stand here today, I'm reminded of the first time my children ever got an opportunity.
Alright, let me look at the weekly. When it comes down to the weekly candlestick chart on gold, we are coming off of 1, 2, 3 very bullish candles. 3 bullish candles, then we had a little bit of a retracement. And now we're in that middle limbo zone where we don't know if we're going to keep on retracing or we're going to keep on rallying. Daily is giving indicators that it could recover. And you guys know that I love that recovery phase right there. You know, it's one of my favorite setups. I apologize. It's one of my favorite setups when you guys, when we recover the 8 SMA, when we start trading beneath the 8 and then we recover it to just keep on going bullish. It's just a beautiful setup. But looking at it like, dude, this is sell. I think we're gonna take the sell, dude. I have no idea yet. Alright, the time change is messing me up. Bro, the time change makes me feel like I don't know what's happening at the exact volatility moment, but definitely I've had an extra hour of sleep. That extra hour I've converted it to extra 2 hours, and now I could go all the way to the New York session, no problem, boys. It's the good part. Alright, boys, I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. Alright. Like, guys, 100 for a giveaway. 100 likes, and then we do a giveaway. Dude, I really think we need to hop into GG longs pretty soon. I don't think it wants to retrace. Not too many, like, just, it's more of, I think we need to catch this continuation trade like this. Do not take a trade without me freaking saying I'm in it, please, please, please. But it's more that we need to catch a continuation trade because I think that it's going to really respect this ASMA and just random momentum is going to come. It's going to be one of those times when GJ's rallying. I think it's going to be one of those times where GJ rallies and you just can't catch it because it's not retracing. You know what I mean? For now, let me go use the restroom, boys. I am not going to take... let's see.
Anxiety killing me, I just wanna leave her. When they ask if I'm okay, it just make everything seem worse. Trying to explain your feelings sound like something you rehearsed. Stab me in my back with a clean smirk. Looking so deep into your eyes, I can read your
Give me a second.
Shut the fuck up, I mean, please don't talk. I done been through too much and I don't need another loss. Put that on every war scar for every battle out BMW. New deposit, I picked up another bag. Like, fuck it, I'ma count while I'm in it. I heard planes flying, crowds screaming, money counting chains, clanking shit. I guess that's how it sound when you winning. I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gonna drown when I'm in it. I bet she gonna get loud when I'm in it. And we might have a child when I'm finished. When I'm finished. When I'm finished. I'ma skip town, see my wrist down. Everybody wanna fuck with me for benefits now. Man, I wish my niggas really could've seen me lit now. Sit down, maybe roll up, blow a spit down. Time go by, nigga change so much. Why the fuck these niggas looking at my chain so much? They just mad cause I departed from the game so much. One force move and the game gon' bust. Cartier glass in 2020, got a clear view. You and me and I don't fear you. Act up, we gon' mask up, boy, I dare you. Bro, to catch your body, I'ma leave you in the rear view. Could've did it to me, little nigga, you was scared to. You a bluff and you not who you appear to. You be starstruck if you see a nigga near you. And your bitch wanna fuck, I don't care to. Careful, if I say links, plans cancel. I can have your shorty in my back doing dance moves. Fuck that, let's get right back to the real shit. And the feel shit, niggas really use the drill shit. I'm a stressed out whole lot she gotta deal with. Swear every real nigga gon' feel it. Smoking on drugs, cause it's too much to deal with. SB strapped up in the field with it. Fall niggas, I don't trust niggas. If you boss niggas, then you tell you a fall nigga. How you tellin' the gang if you mention my name? But I promise I'ma kill you for the dark nigga. What's up with you? I grew up with you, used to fuck with you. Now I'm wishing that a boss hit you. I used to fuck with you. Now I'm wishing that a boss hit you. Fall niggas, I don't trust niggas. If you boss niggas, then you tell you a fall nigga. How you tellin' the gang if you mention my name? But I promise I'ma kill you for the dark nigga. What's up with you? I grew up with you, used to fuck with you. Now I'm wishing that a boss hit you. I used to fuck with you. Now I'm wishing that a boss hit you. My mama know about the pain that I never changed. But looking back for the fame, I felt the same. I was stuck up in the streets, but I had a brain. I ain't had no money, we was looking for a nigga chain. And said all I ever wanted was to have a name. Had a lot of shit to lose, not enough to gain. And that fuck nigga change when it gets the grain. Fine, and my homie went fat, almost went insane. Silly ministry, what did you get parked, nigga? I don't know you want me from the start, nigga. I remember catching stains in the park, nigga. Me and Bubba trying to catch a eye from the dark, nigga. My mama told me watching out, be a smart, nigga. For all my niggas on gold like a cart, nigga. It's really driving a bullet to your heart, nigga. I don't really wanna speak facts, see the chart, nigga. Goodbye, I'ma skip tasks, my wrist drying. Everybody wanna fuck with me for benefits now. Man, I wish my niggas smelling could've seen me lit now. Sit down, maybe roll up, blow split down. Time go by, niggas change so much. Why the fuck these niggas looking at my chain so much? They just mad cause I departed from the game so much. One force move and the game go bust. Fall niggas, I don't trust niggas. If you bust niggas, then you tell you a fall nigga. How you tell on the gang if you mention my name? Well, I promise I'ma kill you for the dark nigga. What's up with you? I grew up with you, used to fuck with you. Now I'm wishing that a boss hit you. I used to fuck with you. Now I'm wishing that a boss hit you. Fuck niggas, I don't trust niggas. If you bust niggas, then you tell you a fall nigga. How you tell on the gang if you mention my name? Well, I promise I'ma kill you for the dark nigga. What's up with you? I grew up with you, used to fuck with you. Now I'm wishing that a boss hit you. I used to fuck with you, and now I'm wishing that a boss hit you. Two, three bands, you niggas shit sweet, little nigga. I ain't never gonna stand my hand. If we too deep, but the whole block deep, swear to God, I ain't never gonna feel my man. Money gon' come, let the money gon' go. All these fake niggas started getting too close, so I stay on my guys that been by my side, cause I know they gon' ride to the car getting dropped. New drip, had to take up some shows. New kicks, I don't care what it goes. Ruthless, I don't care who lost. Stupid, I'm in charge of a bullshit. I know they don't wanna see the young boy win. 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 When I come out, there's a whole lot of gang shit. As a young and I just wanted to be famous. Hopped in the booth till we screamed that we made it. Other day I was recording in the basement. Now I put up to a show with a spaceship. How you screaming day one, do a fake shit. Now I need vibes, you wanna taste it. Pull up on the S show, Lord, that be gang shit. And if they let me in the game, I'ma change it. Ain't a lot of niggas say I'm a basic. Poppin', I'm a stable, mean some babe shit. Niggas see me, they ain't never gonna say shit. Bust down, they ain't never gonna take this. Money I got, little nigga can't make this. Kind of shit broke, niggas gon' hate this. Mama so proud, I'ma take her on vacation. I be going hard, remember used to stall. Remember selling nicks right on the boulevard. Going downtown, tryna steal a nigga car. And if I call Tar Heel for a nigga car, I don't better feel no more without a hammer. Brody on the news, whole face on the camera. Free on my day one, niggas have to slam her. Op nigga told black and white, he a panda. Got me finna run through the streets like I'm Santa. All this design got me bros in Atlanta.
We are back, and we have Celsius. We're back. Me looking at this GJ setup right now, I think it's a valid setup, brother. I mean, I know it's a valid setup. Now my debate just comes on whether I want to take the risk, and this could be my 4 loss streak, or this could be the trade that takes me out of the freaking negative mindset that I have. Just kidding, not a negative mindset. Are you kidding me? I might need to sneeze. Alright, chat. One's in the chat for... Alright, now let's see if we have a bias switch. One's in the chat for buys on GJ. Two's in the chat for sells on GJ. What do you guys think is going to happen? One's in the chat for buys, two's in the chat for sells. Range. I like to answer range. Range is gonna be one of the answers that I accept. No, dude, this thing's gonna go. This thing is gonna go, go, go. Go, 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 go. She doing a bit like honor roll. I'm doing busy impossible. Go, 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 go. What sucks is that pre-London was the place to be at today, and I wasn't there. Pre-London offered a great opportunity. I saw in the VIP chat, dude. The VIP chat, everybody was eating in that shit. Everybody was fucking eating off those longs. Any of you my VIP members in here? Dummy said 1. Marcus is 3, which means range. Cactus 1. Yeah, boy. My boy Darren. All right. GJ, give us something to look at, dude. Forex Factory, refresh. What does Mike doing good work mean? What does Mike doing good work mean? Yo, anything we drop from now on, Badass, is gonna do amazing work. Like, we got amazing audio. Look at the beautiful camera quality. Like, this is perfection. Like, don't even make me start doing ASMR. Gold cells look juicy. They looked better when they was up here and started melting. And right now, I'm thrown off just a bit right now by it. Right now, that wick makes me feel like it needs to be filled. This wick right here makes me feel like it needs to get filled. Joyner's new song. Send the link, brother. I can't find it. It's Marco fam. Send it, send it, send it. Do I think Thug is gonna be released in a year? I don't have no idea. Morning, Ricardo. Good morning. How's everything, brother? Good morning. This guy didn't send the song. Brother, it's Marco fam. Send what song? It says I'm looking for it. It's not even here. I don't even know what you're talking about. Joiner, intense. Nothing here says intense, brother. Marco fam, you're losing your opportunity. I don't ever accept anybody's music, and you've completely lost me now. If you're gonna tell me to put a new song because it's fire, give me this goddamn song's name. Best Why For Me. I'll put it after. Love you too, brother. I got you after this. Wait, so you guys hear the music right now, right? Alright, that's fucking great because I don't hear anything. Like, what the fuck with this shit, dude? Like, what? This is to be my, this is my own, like, is this just not even on? Oh, it wasn't on, it wasn't on. Oh, it was on. Yeah, I got no idea what the fuck I'm doing then. A bit louder. I can go louder.
Smoking something, he ain't worried about nothing, cause he ain't got nothing to lose. I got a thing for the harlot on ice, short days and long nights, Marlboros at the window, middle finger to the sky. Say you wanna get dangerous, now you speaking my language. I forgot what your name is, so I'ma call you mine. Alright, hello, hello, hello. You guys hear me good? No echo? Got me wide open, got a 45. Alright. Got me wide open, got a 45 on them, and he pushing back 102. Alright, hopefully gold does not decide to just start recovering this resistance here, because that would mean it probably wants to keep on going up. And GJ, it's kind of like one of those regret moments, because nah, it's not a regret moment, but GJ definitely looks bullish. Oh wow, GU, dude, GU and GJ, like every single day they decide to start moving even more different from each other. GU and GJ, zero correlation. Oh wait, it's intense, Marco. What do you want me to put? Best for me.
How can you love someone and learn to let them go? How can we fall apart on things we'll never know?
I can't watch it. I'll get a hard strike. I'll get a strike that they'll potentially delete my channel. I'll watch it on this side.
Yeah, I got somebody I love, someone who's really important to me, but now they addicted to drugs. Someone who not who they used to be, and we ain't been keeping in touch. I ain't gonna say any names at all, cause I don't want no one to judge. But I wrote the song, I hope when they hear it, they'll never forget who they was. I hope you feel
lowered.
Like enough.
I lowered the music, boys. Relax, relax, relax. All right. All right, man. It's a thing of easy support and resistance to be put here. Support and resistance, and what are we being attracted towards? It looks like we're going towards resistance, and we're on a bullish trend. It's a smart probability chance. It's a smart probability chance to take buys. It really is. Now, I don't want to just take buys because I feel like my patience is running out, and that's the only reason that I feel like I take buys right now, because the patience is running out. But I'm gonna keep myself sane. I'm gonna keep myself in check, and I'm not gonna wait. Could you check USD JPY? I'd love to. I love whenever you guys want me to check any certain pairs. Whenever you guys want me to check a pair, just let me know. Man, UJ is a very trendy pair, man. Very trendy. Very hard to man. A lot of these pairs are in these moments, man. People have to learn to accept. Sometimes you cannot just take a trade just because you want to be in a trade, right? Sometimes it is not tradable. Like UJ right now. I mean, I don't even trade UJ too much, but like all I know is that you could try catching the continuation of longs. You hop into a sell, you're gonna get clapped. It's gonna be impossible to set its stop loss. It's gonna be impossible to take profit. You got no direction. You hop into a sell right now, you got no direction. You got no borders telling you don't go here. You got no stop loss, actual valid placement. You got no actual valid TP placement. You're a freaking wild shot in the air taking UJ sells right now. And then buys, man, it's just fucking, obviously we're all scared of hopping on a train that's going 100,000 miles per hour, because then I don't know where you hop on and shit slows down and you bust your ass. So when it comes down to UJ, man, like look at this shit. 30-minute candlestick chart, we've had not a lot of movement. I mean, we could potentially come back and retrace to this 8 SMA and then just range, but everything looks like we need a lot more volume to actually be able to give, you know, an analysis on what price is actually doing. Price is dead right now, so it's hard to analyze its movement. We analyze market structure, but what it means to analyze price action, it's literally what it says in its words. We analyze what the action of price is, right? So as price starts changing from 150.550 to 150.600 to 150, all that stays logged, and that's what we're focused on. We're focused on what the price is, and the price is going up. Well, there's no point in me hopping to a sell. Price action.
So take me as I am, or let me be. Tired of you stressing me, cause shit I gotta do is best for me. How can you love someone and learn to let them go? How can we fall apart on things we'll never know? Isn't it funny you can change your ways for someone to fill in your empty space? Tell me, is it really love if you have to ask if they'll stay? How can you love someone and learn to let them go? How can we fall apart on things we'll never know? Isn't it funny you can change your ways for someone to fill in your empty space? Tell me, is it really love if you have to ask if they'll stay?
Got me wild open, got a 45 on him. Damn, that stop loss is way too big. We're not gonna trade yet, boys. Relax. Don starts throwing. Alright, could you already saw that? I don't know why this song that I'm putting on right now, it transcends through every country. Everybody loves this goddamn song.
I brought you daffodils on a pretty string. They won't flower like love. And I wanna kiss you, make you feel alright. I'm just so tired to share my nights. I wanna cry and I wanna love, but all my tears have been used up on another love. All my tears have been used up on another love. All my tears have been used up on another love. All my tears have been used up.
Come on, GJ. Give me some good price action. No way that I got on this shit just got so shitty. It's so funny, I got off yesterday from VIP Zoom and I don't know where the shit fucking started booming. Like always.
And if somebody hurts you, I wanna fight, but my hand's been broken one too many times.
Yeah, New York session volume is most likely what we're waiting for.
So fucking rude, but they always win, but I know I'll lose. And I sing a song that'd be just stars, but I sang them all to another heart. And I wanna cry, I wanna learn to love, but all my tears have been used up on another love, another love. All my tears have been used up on another love, another love. All my tears have been used.
Can you give me a quick analysis on, what does it say right now? It says on CAD CPY. Let's go look at CAD JPY. Why? Because the JP, we know what the yen is doing, right? So, I mean, we see the Canadian dollar is going. It's going. Look at the daily candlestick chart. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bullish candlesticks in a row, and it rallied all the way almost up to resistance. I would not be surprised if we see a little bit of a retracement with news and then just a push. I mean, it'd be pretty hard to just keep on rallying. When it comes into the smaller time frames that are actually showing us what's happening. I mean, since pre-London, even before this was Asian session, we had Asian session pop, pre-London kept on continuing. Retracement is bound to happen, so I'd be anticipating a retracement. I wouldn't be trying to catch the retracement, but I'd be anticipating one for when it does retrace. We continue with the longs. It really just comes down to give it your statistical probability chance. Man, it really is not hard to find a valid setup. Finding valid setups and good trades is not the hard part of trading. What the hard part in trading for people is actually following risk management rules and actually, you know, following a statistical plan. Because like taking a long on CAD JPY in a little bit, like, yeah, does it look hard? Yeah, but you know, you still have a good probability, higher probability chance of winning in longs. Take the trade. If you lose, you move on to the next day and you look for another high probability setup, right? You do this consistently enough, you will start seeing that, man, probabilities sometimes are in your favor and you're hitting back to back to back to back to back and you go on streaks. And then sometimes, even with the same exact setups that are as valid as they were before that made you go on a win streak, you'll start catching losses. And when you start accepting that fact and you start getting experience knowing that, hey, even if I take a good setup, there's a chance that I lose, you know, you stop losing confidence, and then everything from there just is a building. It starts building. Your confidence in trading starts building. You start accumulating more knowledge and more experience on all the trades that you're taking, and you're not being thrown off. When you're not thrown off, you actually learn a lot more from a trade as well, right? When I lose a trade, I don't freaking start going, oh, that's what it was. Then got him gaming. This, I'm sorry to bring back that guy that was trash talking, and then we lost the trade. And then he was like, what did he say? Oh, I was about to say something. I forgot. What was it that he said? I don't even remember. I lost my train of thought. That guy said some stupid shit to me. He wanted CAD USD. Oh shit, I didn't even notice that. How the fuck is that happening? Oh, the dollar's gaining strength. Yeah. CAD USD. I mean, same logic, man. I mean, look at this weekly candlestick chart. Dude, how do you guys even trade in this pair? Like, what? You gotta trade this shit like I'm like 2 minutes. That's why people like trading these goddamn bears. Like, what the fuck is that? Oh my god. I have no idea what that is, brother. I'm genuinely fucking... I don't know what the... I'm trying to remember what the hell that guy told me, and I can't really remember. Yo, Steve. Oh, now I remembered. Now I remembered my train of thought. What it had to do was that, like, I lost the trade, and he was like, and then all I said was, oh, the trade, like, I held it to full stop loss, and then he was like, I can't believe you held the trade to full stop loss. I've seen traders do this before, and your ego is getting to you because you have to learn to accept the fact that your bias was wrong, and you don't want to do that. So this and this and this and that. And I was like, what the? So he got upset that I didn't close, or didn't tell people to close the trade before it hit stop loss. And I told him, bro, the same person that's closing their trade before it hits stop loss is the same person that does that in their other trades. It's the same person that closes take profit before it hits their actual TP1, and it's the same person that gets thrown off psychologically by every trade they take. I was like, I don't do that. If I'm going to tell you to close out early, I'm going to tell you to close out early because I truly believe my stop loss is going to get hit. If I think my stop loss is valid, I'm holding the trade and I'm accepting the loss. And he was like, no bro, it's your ego, like, you need to learn how to just accept the fact that price turned around on you and blah 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 blah. I was like, yo, who the fuck is this guy? And that's when I was like, you know what, I'm kicking this guy. I literally, Baras was about to kick him fucking like a week ago. And I was like, no, Baras, don't kick him. I was like, it's fine. I was like, if he doesn't like me, it's fine. But you paid for the VIP, just keep him in there. Then he just kept on fucking trying to create show, trying to give away his money, supposedly give away money, and be like, yo, I lost all my money, so I'm gonna give away the last 50 bucks, whoever wants it. And then, yeah. Fuck life. Oh, sorry about that. I forgot that the mic hears everything pretty crispy, so that probably wasn't the crispiest. Damn, gold, don't turn around on me. Dude, dead ass London session. Yesterday, London session was so fucking dead. Jesus Christ, and now today again. Like, Jesus. Give me some price action to look at, dude. Euro USD, my bad. Oh. Alright, let's go to the weekly first. Man, Euro USD needs to start showing some reactions because look at the weekly candlestick chart. Weekly candlestick chart is bouncing off of the 8 SMA and off the 50 SMA. Also, the daily candlestick chart is bouncing off the 50 SMA. I want to say take longs now, but man, you definitely got to be paying attention for when the reversal starts happening. I mean, it's bound to happen. It's a bearish trend for sure. Price action is more bearish. You probably have a higher probability chance of catching a sell. Nonetheless, that buy looks like it's getting ready to come soon, right? Now let's start looking at 30-minute chart says, hey, you know, we've already had a little bit of a no, this looks like sells. I mean, like this is what you're making me look at, Euro USD. I don't really know what to tell you here. I mean, you recovered this 8 SMA, right? You recovered this 8 SMA, prices above the 8 SMA. I don't think it's gonna, I mean, you could have a little bit of a down channel, side channel, up channel. I don't know how long it's going to hold. I think that sells, when volume comes back to the market, sells are probably most likely going to keep on happening. Especially with the dollar getting so strong with the DXY. DXY looks like it's just going to keep on trending. DXY has no indications of telling me, hey, it's ready to sell off. Bro. Dude, Patas doesn't put up with anything. Okay, both you don't even answer to each other. Both you chill out. Do not answer to each other, just both you chill the fuck out. Alright, boys, ones in the chat if you guys think that this GG is actually gonna go up. Ones in the chat if you were with me on this buy. If you are with me and you agree that this is a buy, do not take this. I mean, do not take this. Take ones in the chat. Put ones in the chat if you guys like this buy. Twos in the chat if you guys like this sell. Badass is so funny, dude. Badass tells this guy to not spam, and the first thing he does is start spamming once. And not that I care, it's fine. You guys can spam all you want. It's just I just love the fun. He's so funny. I love Badass. What's poppin'? Conspiro? Dude, Connor Clark says, brother, GJ is ready to retrace. Oh, he does not agree with what I got for him. Dark water. You need some clean water, boy. Yo, G-Sav says, go with that bye, boy. I'm ready to take it with you. G-Sav on go. Cactus as well. Dude, I'm upset. I mean, because London session, for me, London session usually starts at 3 a.m. That's 3 at night. 3 in the freaking morning, 3 at night. That's when London session usually starts for me. But because of the hour change, London session starts at 4 a.m. for me. So my mindset says, hey, instead of me waking up at 2 a.m. usually, which is pre-London session, I'm like, London already opens at 4 a.m. Might as well just sleep all the way to 4 a.m. and then be able to just, you know, have perfect rest and go all the way through to New York. That's what my mindset was. Now, it hasn't been playing out. I'm on a 3-loss streak since I've been waking up late for London session. And it's not even late. It's like right at London session, but I'm usually on an hour before. Or like during Asian session. Like, I don't know. I'm just throwing out excuses there, but Jesus Christ. Actually on a 3-loss streak, boys. Like, shit's for real. I actually don't remember the last time I've been on a 3-loss streak. You think you're waiting for New York? We possibly are gonna have to wait for New York. TJ was so wild during Asian session. Let me see what we could get with. We're gonna get my spreadsheet.
Can I get 20 on pump 7 and one of those number 9s?
That's 10 toes, scale on your block with spokes. What? But I've been with the phone, cold, beat is easy,
Cause I'm sipping pro, yeah, that meth is pro methazine, yeah, step.
Buenos días, Tayo.
Todo
bien, papi.
They only killing time, another second gone. I heard your man at home, now you melatonin, but you acting young.
Hoy día no hemos tomado un trade, Estamos esperando, el mercado está medio trancado. Está medio trancado la cosa. Track record, boys. I actually have to fill up the last 3 trades. Last 3 trades have been losses. I have them all logged. I can easily log it. I just haven't done it because whenever somebody goes to my spreadsheet, I want them to see that we are freaking winning. Wow, I ruined the month of March for us with the last 3 trades. That's ridiculous. But it is what it is. So we got loss. 4 losses. 6 wins. That's not good. Last time we got a 3-loss streak. We got a 3-loss streak last month. 1, 2, 3, and after that we came back hard. When was the last time before that we went on a 3-loss streak? Not January. This is November here because we skipped December. October, September, August, July. Yo, I didn't go on a 3-loss streak for a while. Oh, this is last year April. So no, the last time I went on the only within it, this is April of last year. Then we went May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December we didn't trade. January, February. Last month was the first month I saw a 3-loss streak. We came back from it. We're back on a 3-loss streak. Loss. And yeah, hopefully I could. I mean, statistically, I always bounce back after my losses. Statistically, I have a loss, and then the second loss, I literally called out a trade. Price flew 30 pips, almost hit my take profit, and then it melted about fucking well, I called out a sell, but it did that exact movement, And so like we were 6/7 of the way of hitting the trade. Like we were so close to hitting the trade, and that shit didn't go, and then we lost. So I don't know. Do I consider that one a loss? Not really. But on paper, does it say loss? Yes. But that's why on paper is very different from, you know, that's why statistics could throw you off, because I put everybody instantly 35, 30, 32, 33 pips into profit. We didn't hit my shit by 3-4 pips, and then yeah. So I think that I actually gave I gave an amazing trade. Yesterday's trade, so that was the second loss, and then yesterday's loss was a GJ trade that, man, it just ranged for forever. So one loss, and then 2 loss. The second loss was bullshit, and then the third loss, I'll take it. A la calma nomás, y yo llegando al after. Vos llegando a un after, vos. Estáis terrible, loco. Jesus Christ.
Boy wonder, I swear it's like this every single time. Toronto, I got you. I got us. Yeah. On double MG, I fuck a rapper's wife. Have her splitting thighs like she work at Gladys Nice. I was never nothing nice. She ain't even my type, but I made the sacrifice. Yeah, niggas know the real secrets left in hidden hills. Middleman lined it and I cut him out the deal. Bought the whole street up and I got it for a steal. Hey, turn cutthroat for real. And God forbid I die, man, you boys ain't on the wheel. I was on a ride while you boys are sitting still. I've been on a high while you boys are on the pills. Cold world, baby girl, but I ain't from the Ville. Cold world, baby girl, but I ain't from the Ville. Yeah. Niggas try to
more music, better for GJ.
And that's the reason going independent, it just never had.
It's all good, man. Losing streaks are part of this game. Hell yeah. They are. What threw me off about my first loss is that I lost, and then there was a couple new people that joined my VIP channel, and they're like, oh shit, I took a loss your first day. I'm like, oh, it's fine, don't worry about it. Then the second day, I flew them 30 plus pips. Like I literally took a sell like this, and that shit, imagine this was my take profit. Shit went like that. It instantly dropped through us, and then out of nowhere it just zapped and stopped us out. Zap. And I was like, oh my god, I can't believe that was. And then out of nowhere, somebody in the chat in my VIP was like, yo bro, I joined 2 days ago and I've taken 2 losses in a row. And he said, I know it's gonna pay off in the long run. So it's not that he was trash talking. But then I was like, oh fuck, I felt bad. And I was like, alright, next trade has to hit. At this point, I got him 3 losses in a row. So I mean, it's a part of the game, boys. Like, there's nothing I can, there's no sugarcoating it. There's no lying about it. There's straight the fuck up. My VIP has lost their last 3 trades. Before that, every single trade in the VIP was a hit, 6 out of 6. And then we've just been getting clapped. I mean, and I also beg everybody whenever they take my signals, boys, don't over leverage. And if you are gonna over leverage, and we lose, please don't take out that rage on me. Like statistically, come on. Like statistically, y'all know I have been saying this for months. I repeat myself for months. I'm like a freaking record player that's broken on repeat. I don't. Every time we take a trade, I log it. There's nothing to make up here. The statistics speak for themselves. How did I miss it? Did you post on Instagram? I did post on Instagram. How did you miss what? My stream? No, this trade? What are you talking about? Oh, that boy started. Thank you so much, Arnold. Those Quacken must have gone full for show. 3 losing streak, shit ain't bad. I mean, 3 losing streaks are not good. They're bad. They're not horrible. They're bad. But a 3 loss streak after coming off of a month like this, like now I'm 6-4, which is not good, but 6-1 and then losing 3 times, like come on, bro. Like come on. I got a thing for the wild ones. No, I mean, what I like about GJ right now, boys, is that this level of resistance is being held at the time that every level of support is rising. That is what a ripple fib is, boys. That's the formation we're seeing. It just doesn't look as clean. And what does that do? Oh, pow! Pow, pow, pow! It's me, Kevin. How you doing, bro? What it do, Kevin? I'm thrown off a little bit. What do you mean it's me, Kevin? I know you. Or like, I recognize your name, but I'm a little bit thrown off. Are the 3 losses all GJ trades? I'll tell you right now. I'll tell you right now. They should be GJ trades. So last one was a GJ trade. The one before that was a GJ trade. Yep, 3 GJ trades. It was a GJ buy, then a GJ sell. That went 30 pips into profit. I was 4 pips away from freaking hitting take profit. And then another GJ buy yesterday.
Lucy and me are just like Kobe and Shaquille, but we never even chill. And that's the reason going independent and just never had a pill. Plus I blew up independent, blew up independent. I bought her an apartment, so I knew it like a tenant. All the verses tailor-made for you to get.
Alright, boys, give me a second to go freaking blow my nose. 1 second, boys. I'm gonna take less than 2 minutes. EJ Simpler. Exactly what Marco's emoji is. I need to blow my nose.
I'm ahead of my time, sometimes years out. So the powers that be won't let me get my ideas out. And that make me want to get my advance out and move to Oklahoma and just live in my aunt's house. Yeah, I romance the thought of leaving it all behind. Kanye step away from the lime lights, like when I was on the grind in the 1999. Before model chicks was bending over, or dealerships as we been a rover. Man, if I could just get one beat on Hover, we could get up off the cheap ass sofa. What the summer of the shot got to offer an 18-year-old. Sell drugs to get a job, you gotta play your role. My dog worked at Taco Bell, hooked us up plural. Fired a week later, the manager Capturo. The time can't believe it when I look up in the mirror. How we out in Europe, spending euros. They claim you never know what you got till it's gone. I know I got it, I don't know what y'all on. I'ma open up a store for aspiring MCs. Won't sell them no dream, but the inspiration is free. But if I ever flip side like Anakin, you will sell everything, including the mannequin. They got a new, now you Jennifer Aniston. Hold on, I'll handle it. Don't stop panicking, stay calm. Shorty's at the door, cause they need more inspiration for they like they souls and they songs. Tell them sorry, Mr. West is gone.
I'm like coming through like an invisible wall, dude. It's just pretty funny. I apologize for that. Alright, boys, I'm starting to get some more energy in me. We're about to start screaming. It's 7:15 in the morning. Everybody should start waking up pretty soon. Get your asses up if you're not up. If you're in your bed cuddled up and you think you're gonna catch a trade in your bed cuddled up, boy, you better have a blankie for when you start crying and tearing up, because you finna get clapped. Dude, GJ's a wild one. Let's go. They say money talk, put diamonds in my teeth. I be Louis down with Jordans on my feet. Niggas messed up in your yard like trick or treat. Mad news this week for real. Oh wow, boys, tomorrow. Oh no, tomorrow. This is an hour before. Oh wow, tomorrow we have at London Open news, and we have an hour before New York close. Interesting.
my tours, bitch. Hell yeah, I made some meals on my merch too. I got yellow diamond Super Saiyan Goku. These niggas only killers on Pro Tools. Old lame ass nigga ain't got no juice. Old lame ass nigga ain't got no motion. Niggas I flexing on these niggas like I'm Hulk Hogan. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Handle business. I'm shitting on the industry and God is my witness. Nigga, let's go, 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 let's go.
Y yo te pienso cuando enrolo. Sabes que no me gusta estar solo. Ya no bebimos y nos fumamos todo. Y ahora solo oro preguntando qué va a ser. Tú y yo estamos subiendo de nivel. Tú te lo quitas, tú y yo te lo voy a poner. Un par de gente que te quieren meter, pero a ti yo te doy 5 estrellas más como un hotel. Si no enrolen o enrolamos en papel. Tú brillas como los diamantes en mi cartier. Dime pa' que dejarla caer, baby, cuando tú y yo ya estamos subiendo de nivel. Date otro shot, ey. Tú me ves a nalga como pro, baby, todos los que te tiran visten en chancleta cross. Yo ando en la Mercedes, esa que parece un tro, baby, en la Mercedes. Yeah, subiendo niveles. Ella se puso el splash y qué rico huele. Se emborracha y sube par de videos a las redes. Ya lo puso un hashtag, la que puede, puede. Yeah, subiendo niveles. Ella se puso el splash y qué rico huele. Sabes que no fumo Z, ahora fumo L. Ahora digo yo el que puede, puede. Yeah, sabes que no vamos a dejarla caer. Tú te pones loca después de beber. Nos juntamos y rompemos más que Wisin y Yandel. Tenga o no tenga puesta la combi Chanel.
Gold back to gold. Mind of its own, man. Gold with a mind of its own. This guy says, take it. You feel sleepy, go to sleep. You're gonna fuck everybody. No, I'm actually not sleepy at all. Do I look sleepy? I'm whispering because I can't really scream in this crib. And I'm kind of one of those people that they start talking loud and they don't even notice. I'm cold. I'm put on a sweater.
Cuando mezclamos como nos ponemos, subiendo nivel aunque ni lo bajemos y te pones pornográfica como en los videos, yeah. Qué rico en la nota lo que hacemos. Cuando mezclamos como nos ponemos, subiendo nivel aunque ni lo bajemos y te pones pornográfica como en los videos y sabes que no vamos a dejarla caer. Tú te pones loca después de beber, nos juntamos y rompemos más que Wisin y Yandel.
Am I in? No, sir. Mayfair, you always ask me the same thing. When we're in a trade on stream, I will have the entry written out for you, just take profit written out for you, and stop. This is what I've been waiting for, bro. Nice coffee. Did you guys see me jump? Pretty sure I got scared there. Freaking my girl's dad just walks in. But he came with a coffee, and this guy has like these coffees that are like just fucking straight black. And they like crack you the fuck out. No. Dude, I got spooked as hell. Y'all saw that shit? Dude, you got some black ass coffee. I'm talking about this thing cracks you the fuck out.
This shit gonna get bigger every video, man. The scene gonna get higher every video, man.
And it's funny how I answer him in Spanish and he's Italian, so I should have just said grazie. And he's like, how's the internet working? Because remember, we had internet problems. Now I got a cable running through his room, through his closet, through the hallway, straight to my room. That's so funny. I think he puts brown dark water. He does know I scream during the stream. I've told him, and he says, I mean, no me importa. He says, like, everything's fine. I don't give a fuck. You don't do what you want. He's up at 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning every day. So we actually wake up at the same time. This thing's just black, dude. Like I don't know, like, what could I do to show you this shit? But this thing's just black. I don't know what the fuck it is. No, he doesn't know how to use technology like that. It's really good though. I fuck with it. But every time I drink one of his coffees, that shit makes me freaking feel cracked out. I'm not exaggerating, boys. That shit's like, I can feel my heart pumping already, boys. Damn, dude, don't tell me this is gonna melt out right now. Do not tell me this is gonna melt out. Do not tell me it's gonna melt out. I just got stopped at break even on freaking gold, boys. Oof, Amsterdam has good coffee? Is that what you say that, Anton? Do some push-ups? I might. That should be one of the strategies to get GJ going. Doing some push-ups. Dude, is that like, what is this, man? I've been here the whole session with like what the fuck am I looking at? No, it's not time to sleep. Stop fucking saying that. I told you guys I'm gonna be here to New York session. New York session starts in an hour, so it's either, if you guys want me to get the fuck off right now, I could get off right now. I'm coming back during New York session, or I stay and chill it for you guys. I got nothing better to do. Actually, I got something better to do. I got some fucking trades to catch because I got challenges to pass. Who used TikTok? Well, I'll get on TikTok now. Stay and chill. Alright, I'll stay. Paras, yes, start a TikTok. Open it up. The second that you have a TikTok, no, this is for Paras, but if anybody else wants to do it, maybe if I throw it out in the air, Paras will get to it quicker. We all tweaking. We all drinking black coffee right now. Open a TikTok. Start clipping videos of me on live stream, whether it's me giving speeches, whether it's me catching trades, whatever clip you want to do, you clip it and start getting some TikTok followers, and I'll give you an affiliates link for every TikTok account that there is. You'll give you an affiliates link. That affiliates link, you have it on your bio, and you will make, should I do 50 or 30%? I'll probably do 50. For Paras, I'll do 50. For everybody else, I'll probably do 30. But I'll give you Paras, I'll give you 50% of every sale that is made through that affiliates link. So if somebody goes to my channel through your TikTok, we're gonna see it. You make money off that sell. It's easy. It's a very easy setup on WAP. Excuse me, do you earn as much as you drink coffee?
If Drew didn't film it, then it ain't
I
filmed.
did not see. I'm kind of confused. Fazard Hurtin. What did he mean, Marco? I don't know what he meant. Excuse me, do you earn as much as you drink coffee? I did not see. Do you... What does that even mean?
If you stand for nothing, you
I don't think Bias understands either. I don't think Marco. I think you're misunderstanding what he's saying, or I have no idea. I have no idea what the fuck he's saying. Excuse me. That you 4 losses. I don't have 4 losses. Alright, excuse me, do you earn as much as you drink coffee? I don't think that's what he's saying, Marco. Could somebody else in the chat confirm? Do you earn as much as you drink coffee? This is the first coffee I pulled out on camera, and this coffee is like freaking empty. Like this thing is like a freaking shot of espresso. So it's not even like there's a lot of coffee. So do I drink a lot of coffee? Not really. There's not a lot of coffee. As much as you... What? I think he means you just drink coffee and don't place random trades. Any potential setups apart from GJ? So the potential, I mean, I like gold sells. I really like gold sells. I see bullish price action currently in here, bringing price upwards. This wick right here is throwing me off. This wick, a lot of people are taking buys, and the buyers are in the market because of that wick, right? They're saying, hey, bullish momentum is here. This is level of support that needs to get respected. I zoom out of the chart and I see that gold, specifically the dollar has been pushing. Look at the DXY. DXY, yes, it could retrace a little bit, but this is bound to keep on going upwards. DXY going upwards means gold should retrace. Why? Because it means the dollar gets stronger. So as I'm looking at supposedly that dollar's supposed to get stronger, I mean, I see the setup on how this needs to get wick filled, man. This is a wick that needs to get filled. This was a break, right? And now we have the retest happening here, and then yeah, we need to wick fill that. So I see the sell happening potentially later on in gold. So he says the more you eat, the more you earn. I honestly think that he wasn't insulting. He's just, I don't even know what, like what he's. Where are you from? Fazard. I love your name. You sound like you're like from that what's that game? Dungeons and Dragons? No, not Dungeons and Dragons. What's that game? That RuneScape. You sound like your name's from RuneScape. What the fuck did I just do? Man, this name. And gold is still pushing upwards. Yeah, I mean, no potential setups right now when it comes down to the pairs that I'm very familiar with, which are GBP, GPY, and gold. Let me see, US 30. I trade a lot of US 30 as well. Dude, I've drinking like 3 sips. This thing's still full, and I'm like, first of all, I need to go use the bathroom. You guys know what I mean? Second of all, I feel the rush. I'm like, I'm about to do some push-ups. Dude, I do have a coffee machine at home. I have not opened it yet, and because I was watching videos on how to use it, I bought an espresso latte machine because I want to make lattes and espressos. Like a barista. Yo, I need to get freaking Arnold. I forgot that you and me held. You were my moral support yesterday. We should put you on stream with me right now, bro. You got the Barista Express, dude. I think that's the one that I wanted. I have one that looks similar, dude. I'm not sure if it's this one. I haven't opened it, like I said. I got it gifted for, it was a wedding gift. But this is what I want. Oh yeah, this is the automatic coffee grinder one right here. So automatically grind. I mean, I like grinding it myself, but the automatic coffee grinder is fire. It has the steam thing. Yep, mine has that. Pressure. Yeah, temperature. Double. Do you have the attachments? You need the attachments. This attachment. Love that. I'm jealous. You don't drink coffee? What flipped? What flipped? 4-hour flipped? Or is that gold? No, gold's been bullish. What 4-hour flipped? My iced latte better than Starbucks. Oh my god, I couldn't think. An iced latte also would be lit. Boys, I can't believe I've been on stream here just talking shit for how long have we been on stream? Like, bro, give me a setup, man. Like, give me a setup.
I need my meals like Meek, I'm a thug like Thug and Cowboy. Ain't know how I carry it. I fell in love with the game and I married it. 200 down with a walk on a Saturday. I do the rap on the phantom and managed it. Pushing that bitch through the track like a chariot. Diamonds on diamonds, they come in various. I get that bitch 20,000 for charity. Counting me out and I'm back in the heaven.
Alright. What to choose? Prop firm or live with $1,000? Live with $1,000. If it's your last $1,000, do not buy a prop firm, please. I love the eagerness to spend your last $1,000 and give it a shot. That's exactly what you need to be able to become successful. You need that. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Nobody wins that's afraid to lose. Oh, live account. Oh, my bad. Is that? I have a little emoji that blocks out like half of what you guys say. I'm working with one screen here, boys, not two. I'd go with a prop firm with a $1,000 challenge. I mean, dude, with a $1,000 live account, what, you double your account, which is very risky. And what, you make $1,000? Shit's fucking ass. With a fucking 50k that costs $250 or $300, or buy 100k that costs $500. With a $100,000 account, which costs $500, $600, you make 1%, you made $1,000. You make 2%, you make $2,000. Like it's like very simple, boys. I talked about this with a lot of my clients that I pass challenges for. Dude, I don't run up accounts. I don't run up my live prop firm accounts to 10% every freaking month or every bi-weekly. I don't do that. I don't remember the last time I even tried to do that because I have such a good amount of fluctuation of accounts coming in and I have payouts, you know, spread out multiply. Guys, on my live accounts and on the live accounts I trade for other people, specifically mine as well, I go for 2 to 3%. If the 2 to 3%, you know, trade rallies and I go and I hit that 4%, boom, beautiful. I even if there's 2 weeks left, bro, I leave that account and I forget about it, move on to the next one. I go, all right, so the payout is, all right, it's a $200,000 account. I made 3%, that's $6,000. They pay me out 80%. All right, they're gonna pay me about, let's say $5,000. $5,000, that means I could spend $2,000 in accounts and I'm gonna keep $3,000 for my pocket. All right, and then I buy another 2 accounts and then I move on. And then I buy, you know, as you go, dude, I aim for 2 to 3% on my live accounts. You guys hear that? I don't know if you guys have heard that from traders before, because a lot of traders don't actually cash out payouts. They fucking lie to you, or I don't know. The point is, 2 to 3% is all you goddamn need, bro. And if you're aiming for more than that, then your event, you know, you can get lucky once, you get lucky twice, but that's not what you're supposed to be doing. A live account, it's what you do with a live account, it's survival. It's how long does that account stay alive? It's survival. It's as simple as you have 10% to be able to risk. it's easy to make 2%, right? It's like we have all this 10. So sometimes I go into 3% drawdown, 4% drawdown. I get myself up to 1%, 2%, and I'm like, you know what? Let me cash out, move on to the next account. Like, it's that simple. Cash out, move on to the next account. 1 to 2%. 1 to 2% is the most easiest thing in the world to do, especially after you have to pass a challenge and make 10%, then make 5%. 1 to 2%, well, 2 to 3%, not 1%, but 2 to 3% is the easiest, man. Especially when it's like me giving you $10,000 right now and be like, go to the casino and make $1,000. It's pretty simple. Or it's kind of like me giving you $10 and telling you, hey, you know, go freaking make a random bet where you make $2. You know, you could be on a bet where it's completely all in your favor. Fucking bet $10 for one if you want them to. Point is, you have a lot of space to be able to actually make that 2 to 3%. 2 to 3% on, you know, these prop firm accounts is all you fucking need. It's so simple. I mean, most people that have worked with me always know that's one of the main things I teach them and that I tell them. I don't fucking run up to 5. Yes, I've tried to run up accounts to 10%. I've done it before. I've not like a $200,000 account. I've hit big payouts, but not a $200,000 account like in one go. What was I about to say? This coffee got me going now. I don't know if you guys noticed. Point that I was making is that when you guys actually get your hands on a prop firm account, you guys really, dude, I gotta update Oliver. I passed Oliver's phase 1, phase 2. We got unfunded, and now I want to know he hasn't even showed up. And then I texted him because I was supposed to trade his live account. But then he got emotional and he was like, you know what? Let me trade this live account. And I was like, you know what? Do so, sir. I'm kind of busy right now. I actually have no interest in trading like 50K accounts and shit like that. It's not enough money for me. It's actually turns into being because then I aim for 2 to 3%. 2 to 3% is like $1,000. I'd rather just not even worry about that stress. I saw your results spreadsheet, and 1 to 3% a month is solid. No, but I actually aim for I aim for 2 to 3% bi-weekly. Actually, it's bi-weekly because these accounts have bi-weekly payouts. So I have 5 trading days a week. And 5 trading days a week, I always take 1% a trade a day. 1% trade a day, 5 trades. So it's like every 2 weeks I have 10 trades to take. All I gotta do is win 2 out of 10 trades, or I gotta, you know, just be up 2%. And you guys know I either win 1% or lose 1%, win 1% or lose 1%. And we keep on moving like that. Darren, yeah. I mean, for example, you're the one, Darren, who gave me that clear. I mean, I was accepting accounts like crazy up until I started having clients like Darren, where Darren's a client who he's told me, bro, stop dealing with all these accounts, stop dealing with so many people. You know, like prioritize people that are willing to give you, you know, exactly what these other random people will give you. So Darren was like, don't accept that guy's $50,000 account. I'll give you another $50,000 account. Don't accept that guy's $10,000 account. I'll pay you not to accept it. He was like, I'll pay you $100 to not accept it. And he's like, just stop accepting everybody's account, because then you got to deal with a whole bunch of accounts. And that's been my problem with, like, passing challenges is not the hard part. It really isn't. What's the hard part is making sure that everybody's moving at the same pace and making sure that everything in the system works, right? But I've experienced enough clients, because there's people like Darren. I have multiple other people that don't come on live stream and that they're like Darren, where they tell me, look, bro, if you want to accept another $100,000 account, just fucking tell me. I'll give you a $100,000 account, and stop dealing with so many people and just deal with one person. Very straightforward. I am pissing myself right now. Trading sometimes someone's 10K account saps your energy. That's so funny, because Sagar, I was trading your 10K account, and you're like one of the people that I was like, yo, fucking hate this 10K account. But also, your 10K account was a live account, and then I accepted it, put it into drawdown, and I was like, all right, now I'm forced. But it was like after the fact I had your 10K account in drawdown. But that 10K account, what did I get it to? I made it go up 6%. We got it up to 6%, and then requested the payout, and then they didn't want to pay us out. We still have that account. They didn't take it away from us. I have not traded at Sagar. I apologize. I kind of like, I know that you still wanted me to keep on trading it. I think that's the conversation that we had. I kind of was just going to connect it to the other account that you gave me, and we were just going to keep on pushing it like that. Yeah. not a lot. Everything's looking better, especially with people that are giving me friggin' MT4s, MT5s, and C-Trader accounts. Yo, I'm jealous that I can't use C-Trader, boys. I've seen some C-Trader P&Ls and shit like that, and I am a jealous boy. Me personally funded, I sadly right now, I used to be funded like $600,000 personally. As the months go by, I get robbed and robbed by these prop firms. Is FTMO still paying? Dude, FTMO didn't pay me, and they didn't pay another client of mine. Pedro, are you in the chat? Pedro, está en el chat. There's another guy who's Spanish. Pedro gave me a phase 2 account back in November. It's funny, this is a funny story. I wonder if Pedro's here to listen to it. Pedro gave me a phase 2 account in November. This is when I was with Bullish Lifestyle. His phase 2 was in drawdown. Yo, Pedro? Sick Pedro in the chat. I could show you guys his Discord. That dude has like $700,000 in funding. Like, I'm not kidding. Dude, he's funded like $700,000 and he's just like a Spanish speaker that doesn't even say much shit. But point is, he gave me his account. This was back in November that I even knew that he was funded. Well, I don't even know how much he had back in November. Point is, he gave me an account in drawdown. I think it was a $100,000 account. It was down like 6%. I recovered it, and I recovered it, and then I think I got it to like, I don't know, up 4 or 5%. Point is, I forgot completely about that account, completely. Where he was supposed to pay me half that money, I'm pretty sure. I haven't even spoken to him about this, right? But he paid me, and I remember like he paid me to recover his account. I recovered it, and I remember I passed it, like I got it up, and then I asked him, yo, and then he was like, oh, since you got me up, can I give you another one of my accounts that's in drawdown? And I'm like, oh, is it a live account? He goes, no, it's a phase 2. I'm like, all right, I'll take your phase 2. I passed his phase 2. And then I remember at one point I asked him like, yo, when's the payout of the money that you owe me for the live account? You know, because we were gonna, and he told me, oh, it's in a month from now. And I was like, oh, that long? You know, fucking, I think it was FTMO. I'm not really sure. And then I was like, all right, what about when's the payout for the next live account? And he goes, oh, it's like 3 days after that. And I was like thrown off, where I was like, yo, this guy doesn't want to pay me. Like, this guy clearly doesn't want to pay me. So I asked him for photos of the payout, and then he sent me. It said like the dates that he was saying. Long story short, well, it's already a long story. Freaking a week ago, 2 weeks ago, Pedro comes back and he was like, yo, bro, I have a phase 2, or was it a phase? I forgot what the fuck it was. It was a phase. Yeah, he had 2 phase 2s, 2 200Ks that he wanted me to pass. One of them was up 8%. The other one was up like 9%. And he paid me money, cash. So I saw, he was like, yo, I need you to pass these 2 accounts. And I was like, yo, who is this guy? I was like, I remember this guy. I was like, yo, is this guy like from Bullish Lifestyle? Like, did Miguel fuck him over? Like, who is this guy? And then I realized, I'm like, no, dude, this guy's a fucking good client. This guy's somebody that we and then I go through our messages and I'm like, yo, bro, this guy owes me money. Like, this guy, like, I'm so sure he owes me money, but it wasn't on paper. That conversation we had wasn't on paper. So I'm reading through the chat and I'm like, yo, I recovered this guy's account. I made him like $4,000. I'm like, yo, he never gave me shit. So right now he was like, yo, bro, can you pass my phase 2? Both my phase 2s. Pedro, name itself, it rich. And then he paid me fucking like $400 to make 1% and 2% on his 2 phase 2s, and he passed both of them. And then he was like, oh, bro, now I have like 800 plus funding, and I'd go on his DX trade account, and he had a fucking whole bunch of accounts there. I think I actually traded the wrong account at one point. And then what was it after that? It's funny because I never asked him for the money for that he owed me from back in November, right? We're all the way in freaking March. What was it that he did? So then he gave me a live account after he cashed the payout out from FTMO. This is where we're going back to the story of FTMO. So then he was like, oh, bro, I have another live account. I'm gonna give you these two live accounts and this live account. Let me just cash a payout out. He cashed out the payout. And then FTMO sent him an email, and it's the same email I got. It's an email saying, hey, you have been practicing certain trading things that we don't like, blah, 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 blah. We are banning your account. Don't message us. You're fucked. You're not getting a payout. That's exactly what happened to me a month and a half ago, or when I had my February 6th payout, $6,000 from FTMO, 3% on a $200,000 account. They said that I was reverse trading, or they told me to go look at the article that I violated the rules from, and one of the things that the article said was possibly reverse trading. I was like, yo, I only have one FTMO account. I don't take multiple trades. Like, there's no chance I'm gonna buy and a sell at the same time. So I don't know if that I over leverage, or I don't know if that I opened to high leverage and closed the trade early, or I don't know if it's because I'm having a US freaking residency. But they told me that, you know, I can't even freaking talk to them, and they banned my account. And it's funny because Sick Pedro also had the same shit. They told them the same exact thing. I'll show you who it is, by the way, boys. I don't want to go to the VIP chat because I might fucking expose something. Fuck it. This guy, for whoever's seen him before, Pedro Forex, and then his Instagram is Sick Pedro.
He skirt off the block, you following this Kyle with big cream cheese. Ain't no bush to beat around, you not ducking 100 rounds. Whole hood been down for the count, cause we just beat it down. Ain't gotta spin back around because my target hit the ground. Cross that line, you out of bounds, they gon' find you up in the crowd. Nappy ass dreadlocks, black forces, black socks. Make the Draco pop, it's louder than a boom box. Shout out to OBO, the Drake and make your bed rock. With beef on 4-0, just check the score and say a lot. Ay, I'm in Miami, she giving me head on Ocean Drive while a nigga outside.
Damn, boys, Miguel just sent me a signal. Boys, I actually have the London, I actually have the EA available to you guys for free in the Discord chat. And the EA today caught the GJ Long 35 pips, and it caught the 70 pips here. What else did it catch? So this was yesterday. So today it caught the buy, and then it caught 70 pips. It caught the buy, and without getting stopped out. And then again it called out the buy, and then again it hit 35 pips. So I have this available for free right now. I'm gonna actually change it today back to paid membership. A lot of people, nobody has really signed up to the paid membership to get the signals. I've shown the signals to you guys for free. You guys have seen how it's performed. You guys have seen if you guys have liked it or not. If you guys want the chance to be able to connect your account to the Woke EA, the Woke EA is the trading bot that trades GBP JPY. If you guys actually want to be able to connect your account to that, that is actually available. Just check out the WAP. My WAP link. You could, you would basically go to get VIP access, and you'll find out what the prices are to be able to actually connect yourself for automated trading. The P&L for today on that is, well, I don't even see the camera, so I don't know what I'm looking like, what I'm showing. I'm trying to see if it latency lags. I don't even know what I'm showing, but I know that it should be the freaking trades on the screen. Shit went crazy today. Made 5.3. I don't even know what size account this is though, so looks good to see you. Got me wild open, got a 45 on the mini, pushing like 102.
Bitch ass nigga. Alright, man, it's 6:55 in the morning, man. Shit. Couldn't even hit that bitch, I almost threw up. Couldn't even hit that bitch, I almost threw up. That's your bitch, I just told her to swallow it. Grab them tips and then I went and hollowed it. Pull up on them like that Grand Theft Auto shit.
What the hell happened with Badass? What the hell happened with Badass?
remember we did a couple moves and we rented out a fucking Hummer. We said that we own it, we was lying, bitch, we stole it. Run up, then it's over, chopper put you in a coma. Never had to be no thug, my brother's thugs. Never had to do no.
Darren says my WAP VIP is too cheap. Others with half the talent are double the price. I would agree. I mean, man, I think that compared to the other markets, my signals are definitely undervalued for how they've performed compared to other people's signals who don't even send their own signals. But I think that they're perfectly valued for what a signal is. I think a signal, like for example, people that follow my signal channel, I don't think that they have the signal channel just because, like, people that are in my VIP, they're not in the VIP because they want to take every single trade of mine. Yes, they want to be a part of my wins with me, but it's more of like, first of all, it's like signals are good learning tools, and they're good tools to help you make money, but I don't think that it's something that should be valued for, like, you know, over $200 a month and stuff like that. Now it's relatively speaking, right? In terms of people around me, should I be valued around that price? 100%. Or performance wise with other signal services, but I don't think that a service of me just showing you my trade entry and exit should be valued that much. I think it's a learning, yeah, I think it's a I don't know. I don't even know what point I'm trying to get to. It's like a little indicator. I like you guys using my trades as little indicators or just little guides, you know, on a day-to-day basis. You know, right now there's no price action. Right now that's the definition of no price action. Action, that the price is action. There's none of it. There's no action in price. Price action does not exist. It is non-existent. I agree. Gold, I would have been in drawdown. Love that. Yo, but why did GU Money get banned by us? But he was just asking did he say anything that I don't know? He was asking if these prop firms pay out.
I'ma shoot first. I done fucked up and got me in a cruiser. Mercedes Benz coupe. Bring an ice cube. Live my life so fast, ain't telling what I might do. You want smoke blow? 45 coat. It's an ISO. AI Michael. I talk a lot of shit cause I could back it. Got my dick in the throat, watch her back it. I'm all about my bread like a fat kid. I'm all about my swag like it's fashion. And I'm super savage. Grew up as a bad kid. My niggas on your block call it camping. They don't want no static. Pull up, let them have it. Killers in the first degree. A lot of niggas wanna murder me.
Yo, Patas, what did this guy? What did he do to ban? For you to ban him? I'm so genuinely confused. I'm kind of like looking through the messages to see if I see anything.
I'ma shoot first. I done fucked up and got me in a cruiser. Mercedes Benz coupe. Bring an ice cube. Live my life so fast, ain't telling what I might do. You want smoke blow? 45 coat. It's an ISO. AI Michael.
Bang, let it shoot. Hit a stand,
Oh, I see.
with some mollies and they dollar, let it shoot. Do. I caught a pussy on the roof. From the down where we know to let it go. My niggas, they gon' make a hole up at the door. Her mama trip, I fucked her in the bando.
I mean, at one point, Patas said, you asked tons of times if you that much scared from prop firms, why you even buying to go regulator broker and trade, they won't scam you. I don't know what you wrote, but then he put, shut up little pussy, I never asked you. That's pretty funny.
I know the truth first. Not only that, I got some niggas try to lie me. They wanna find me. Nobody helped me when I came up, so I'm grimy. So many niggas wanna see me out and fly me. I tell them run up, pussy, try me.
That's pretty funny.
Killers right behind me. I remember days when them bitches went beside me. I remember in the corner cooking up the nappy.
I give it all up to see my man back. I bought a mop stack to see my ops stack. I see the same thing. I knew I clocked it. Studio trapping just for content. Cause I don't know what they have at the border. All this good mixing back feeling bipolar. If the beds on my task.
Yo, Bada, stop starting shit with people, please. Like there's few, if nobody got anything nice to say, or nobody, like, there's no point of it. That's it. End the conversation there, please. Alright, well, there's still absolutely nothing happening on GJ. Dude, this is 2 days in a row that I don't have anything happening on GJ. What do you think about NZD? Is that what USD? Let me see. NZD JPY. I know that's a very trendy pair. Oh, this looks beautiful for longs. It looks real good for longs. I feel like the longs started playing out already. You definitely are a little bit late hopping into it, but oh wow, but the daily candlestick chart. I would definitely try to catch the long, but and it's specifically due to the fact that we're leaving wicks that are rising, as well as we're respecting the 8 SMA. So we're just forming, you know, this needs to get wick filled basically. That's what's happening with basic recent price action. Now, a lot of buyers are scared to hop into buys when it comes to NZD JPY, because we do zoom out, go to the daily candlestick chart, and we do see that, man, overall price action has been more bearish than bullish. Definitely has been more bearish than bullish. And getting to these like levels like this 50 SMA and having the, you know, there's a chance that this just zaps downwards, breaks this level of support, because this level of support doesn't even look too strong. Man, news is gonna move the charts today a lot. Is it news today at oh, the CAD news? No. Then why the fuck, dude? The charts look a little bit rangy. It's like usually when the charts are this rangy, it's because we have major news coming. The most major, I mean, this is tomorrow. Today we don't have anything besides CAD at 8:30. But when it comes down to tomorrow, London Open. No, this is pre-London session. There's some pre-London session. This is right when pre-London starts. We should have CPY. Nope, FMOC. That's very important. Thank you, Algo. How are you, Algo? Long time no see. And then again 1 hour before, 30 minutes before New York session. Yeah, this is what I mean. This is where the big news is gonna happen. I feel like if we rally today or we rally tomorrow, everything's gonna be just randomly recovered with this freaking. There's gonna be crazy price action when it comes to the FOMC. If nobody's used to seeing FOMC meetings or seeing how price action acts whenever. Focus tomorrow, not focus tomorrow, you know, pay attention to the price action that's happening tomorrow, because that's usually what you see whenever we have major news sources like FOMC coming up, you know, in later on sessions. You get, like, you know, there's an option, there's a number of things that could happen, but a lot of times you get this type of price action that we have here. But there's no major meeting today, so I don't know.
Some new killers in my circle you done ran with. Like this 30-38, this bitch are damaged. Popping Willis, 4K Trey call when you land with it. I let you drive and slide my bros where they been land with it. I wrote this bitch, I open up a can with it. Like fuck the stove, I make it jump without my hand in it.
I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a.
Algo's been killing the charts like a human. Algo. Hey, is Algo back in the Discord? I feel like we need to add Algo back on the Discord. We always time him out, and then he comes back, and then we time him out, and then he comes back. I feel like now it's one of the moments where we need him back. Oh wow, that's the TikTok. Badass, for sure, no matter what, this Friday I'm gonna send you whatever I owe you, just because I know that I've been stalling out on you. had a bad drawdown weeks ago, but I'm back. Love to see it, Algo. Algo, I love to see that you're here every single day. You're on the charts every single day, and you're trying to go get it every single day. I think that you're gonna find a lot of success as long as you keep on doing what you're doing. And that's not quitting, showing up every single day. And that goes for everybody on the charts right now. If you're that person that sees that you're not moving forward and you're kind of like sitting down right now, you're like, damn, but these guys are all making money and I'm not, and I want to be a good trader. You're on the path of being a good trader. You're on the path to being a successful trader. You're on the path to, you know, opening doors and just keep on doing what you're doing. Show up every single day. It's that simple. Keep on showing up. Even if you're losing, keep on showing up. Even if you don't have an account, show up. Even, you know, keep on showing up. Keep on taking trades. There's no chance you fail. No chance. The only ones that fail are the ones that quit. That's how it is in trading. It really is like that. The only ones that fail in trading are the ones who quit. If you don't quit, oh my god, it's like, I don't know how to explain to you. I'm trying to. I don't know how to explain that. There's no chance you fail. There's no chance you fail if you don't quit. Right? You have to be, especially being in this stream, right? Maybe if you were goddamn watching Donvo trade, and you know, I'd tell you, right, you know, you keep on trying. You most likely keep on joining streams, keep on paying attention to what we do, master your skill, take lots of trades, stop being afraid to lose, boys. Stop being afraid to lose. Start taking multiple trades. Start taking multiple trades, because that's experience. Multiple trades will give you experience. Now, if you're making multiple trades, does that mean start taking 20 lots, 10 lots, 5 lots? No. I'm saying find a consistent lot size, find consistent setups, find a consistent rules. Let's say only 1 to 2 trades, 2 to 3 trades, only these pairs, only these longs and this type of setup. Like, figure out what your rules are, test them out, gain that knowledge, gain that experience. That's what's going to make you a better trader. If you're sitting down on the charts right now and you're scared to lose, you are not learning. You're not learning if you're right now you're scared to lose. And being scared to lose is not a bad thing. All of us are scared to lose. That's the point of us having risk management. That's the point of us, you know, kind of analyzing the market before we hop in. I'm not telling you to take a random trade. I'm telling you to stop putting yourself in a position where you're going to be down on money, or stop putting yourselves in negative positions where if you do lose, everything goes to shit. Losses are perfectly fine as long as you risk manage. Losses are perfectly fine. And yeah, just learn how to fucking take a loss and walk away. It feels really good when you take a 1% loss and walk away. It really does. I don't know why people think that walking away with a 1% loss feels bad. Every time I walk away with a 1% loss, it's just as good as when I walk away with my win. I promise you that. It's a relief of like, all right, you know, like the statistical odd didn't play out in my favor. That means that there's a higher chance that the next one will. And I look at everything in percentage and the odds, and you guys already know that. So I go, all right, statistically, I lost this next trade, which means probably the next trade I have a higher chance of winning. And lost my train of thought. Get some more coffee. Hello, Donbo. That's true. That's why we never miss a strap. Lost my train of thought, but you guys get the point, boys. You guys want to start taking the charts serious? Start fucking following risk management. Stop, don't ever throw a lot size the size of what you guys want to throw ever again. You know, I know you guys want to throw them 10 lots, 20 lots. If your account can't handle it, and with a 30, if your trade can't be 30 pips, 1%, like, or stop taking the 1% 10 pip trades. Stop taking the quick scalps to the downside and then be like, oh, I'm bullish, oh, I'm bearish, oh, I'm bullish, oh, I'm bearish. I'm telling you, boys, you're not going to find success like that. You're going to find short-term success. You're going to find short-term gratitude, but you're not going to find success. What is success defined by? I think that success in Forex trading is defined by consistency of being able to keep accounts alive, and consistently being able to keep accounts alive is what success is in trading. And the more you are successful in trading, the more possibilities come and opportunities come where you actually can make money. That makes sense? So becoming successful in trading means that you're not blowing accounts. The second that you learn how to not blow accounts, that means that you're giving yourselves opportunities every single day to be able to actually make money. And then from there, you got to learn how to abuse your power and not abuse it too much. Because if you abuse it too much and you get too greedy, you're going to start losing. It's a simple game, man. Just a lot of people like the learning process in trading. Just it's like you guys are developing that mindset to finally get to the mindset that I'm at, right? Hypothetically speaking, What is the mindset that I'm at? Boys, y'all know I'm not taking a setup if I don't want to take a setup. Y'all know I'm not going to take a trade if I don't want to take a trade. Y'all know I'm only going to take a 1% trade. Y'all know I'm only going to take a few trades a day. Very few. You know, 1 to 2 trades a day. I say it's only 1 trade a day, but it's because I have multiple accounts. Yes, I take multiple trades a day. But you know, a 1 trade per setup. I wait completely for, you know, I don't take a sell against the trend. I don't take a river, you know, I don't go against the trend. Like this, you guys see that there's certain rules that I just follow no matter what. Those are the rules that keep me alive. Those are the rules that actually keep me statistically ahead of the game. And yeah, I use the same algo. Dude, the charts did nothing on me today. Like, what the fuck is this?
Time I bite on focus, really been running no commas, you notice. Right on the block while I posted, high heel trap play sports in the poet.
What the fuck? I've been here doing nothing.
Straight out the woods, hear that shit in my voice. Still being, still out, 1 feet in the industry, 1 in the trap. Backside stretching, I'm dogging out. Teach you a lesson, it just like the mouth. Calculate, pound after pound after pound. Re-up, I get him going out of town. Feet up, step on a nigga, he frown. So I feels at the top of the town, on God. I'm from the bottom, I beat all the odds. I watch scam get rich off fraud. Glock 43 front seat when I ride. Lean to the side after ride when I slide. Straight out the jungle, that younger survive. That hunger and hustle is stuck in his eyes. Switch on the blick, now rapidly fine. Claiming they still, but niggas be lying on God.
Feeling like a man when I step in. Riding in the track hawk, know I keep the F in. Ice all over my neck. Make you want to find which car had
slow price action today and slow price action yesterday. I would have been a drawdown on my gold trade.
Nigga don't play with me. Nigga, I'm a boss, you the motherfucking dope man. Know I got drip like a sink. Bitch, I'm with go up, I might just go buy me a mink. Nigga on cap.
I would have been down on my GJ trade.
I had that ice in my link. Put this shit all in my mouth. So ice in my grill. Nigga might freeze up the drink. Nigga reach for it, he'll die. Bitch, I'm a soldier. I should go buy me a tank. Move like a top boy. You're a real trap nigga. Move on your block, make it real hot. Grinning like, boy, what's wrong with that phone? Gotta turn the ringer off cause it never ever stop. Know I make the hotline bling.
Yeah, Asian was where it was at today. How long have we been on stream? What does it tell me? Oh, 3 hours.
I chopped out my younger years. My mama shed so many tears. Eating too many pills. He don't even know how to feel. Shut me much, don't wanna live. Brains all on the steering wheel. Grew up on my valley boy, but not from that Cali though. Boulder Chris, my addy hole. This shit just like the
boys, I'm not sure how much longer I'm gonna stick around. Like there's really not much more for me to friggin' analyze here or do anything. Now for obviously VIP members, I'm still gonna be paying attention to the chart. I'm gonna try to look for a trade. Quality, advanced, specific resolution. Let's go to 60 frames. I want to see how good the quality actually looks right now. I think the quality could look better. I think it's because the lighting is really low. Paras, you feel like the quality dropped a little bit? You think I should put up the bit rate? My bit rate's already pretty high. Oh, what the fuck did I just do? Settings, stream, output. Oh, I can't change my bitrate while I'm streaming? Fuck.
I won't do nothing with the bitch, she can't even get me high. Something wrong with the pussy. Even though I ain't gon' hit it, I'ma still make sure that she does shit. Cause me and my rounds ain't gon' get caught up like that, no way. We ain't got time to go see doctors. Jay, hey, money. Put my paper up on the bitches, yawning. Hey, this a show, bitch, I'm performing. I do this shit for my daughters and all my sons, bitch. I'm on the random bands up, take her they funds, bitch. I got a mom's bitch, she got a mom's bitch. I got sisters and brothers to feed. I ain't going out like no idiot. I'm a OG. I did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the
top of my lifestyle. Living life like a beginning, this is only beginning. I'm on the top of the mountain, puffing on clouds, and niggas still beginning. Still screaming for the other side. For the nigga, I'ma ride for my nigga, hey. Convoy, I'ma die for my nigga, hey. Convoy, I ain't gonna never let you know my niggas, hey. No way, no way. Nigga couldn't see me if they had a genie. I'm living my life like Beanie. R.I.P. my brother Beanie. I stacked the rat to the ceiling. Now these niggas can't beat me. I just might wake up one Chanel and these bitches can't see me. I'm in a whole nother league. I ain't got age, but I swear to God I'ma bleed. Till I D.I.E. 28 flows up, I feel like I can F.L.Y.E.E. P on top of these BGs. God told me they can never stop me, so they ain't gon' stop me. I'm in that Corvette with baby mommy, get sloppy toppy. I'm bleeding red like a devil, I see these bitches plotting. They wanna know I got M's and I didn't finish college. Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my lifestyle. Living life like a beginning, this is only beginning. I'm on the top of the mountain, puffing on clouds, and niggas still beginning.
I do it for my daddy, I do it for my mama. Them long nights, I swear to God, I do it for the come up. I'm Willie B. beating on my chest in the jungle. Hey, money, home money, I got commas and name bad. Sunday through Monday, I been grinding with no sleep. I'm talking about taking something from me like no weed. Tuggle, that my brother. You don't want no trouble. Or you can get these fish knuckle. Buckle up like a seatbelt or I shoot ya. Punching on the gas, too fast, and I lose ya. Give me a bed, and I do her. I want a head, Medusa. I swear a nigga gone, cause it's strong, I'm blowing super. Hey, grinding for a new day. I'm scared, like that nigga Lupe. Hey, I'm on the top, just like Tupac. Weed, I'm in her mouth, just like toothpaste.
Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my lifestyle.
Alright, back to the charts. What do I got here? Dude, yesterday was louder music, more louder music, more chances. Boys, I'm gonna start calling it right now, boys. I'm not gonna stick around for New York session. I told you that we would go all the way to New York session. We've been around for 3 hours. Boys, tomorrow, for those who are here paying attention, tomorrow during pre-London, there's news right when pre-London starts. So we're gonna start like 20 to 30 minutes before pre-London. 20 to 30 minutes before pre-London. Show up tomorrow, boys. I want to see everybody here for 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Make sure you guys subscribe. Turn on post notifications, and subscribe, and you guys will be able to not miss out. How many likes do we got in here today? Only got 64, 55 likes. Damn it. I want to do a giveaway with you guys. Boys, thank you guys so much for being a part of the stream. I apologize. I mean, dude, like, there's not so much we could do. Like, I was trying to catch a sell at 55. We're at 56. We've gone nowhere. GJ, you guys know I've been trying to catch the long, but we've actually gone nowhere as well. I think the whole session that I've been here, how much have we ranged? We've ranged in a... Damn, these pips are pretty big. We've been like in the 25 pip range, 30 pip range. But like, it's a tight range. Like, doesn't even feel like it's moving 30 pips. Like, what the fuck? Nice, Cactus. Oh, Cactus, I gotta get you your account. I gotta fund you an account. Message me back on Instagram, Cactus. I'll answer you. I apologize for that. Oh, wow, GG's finally going. Boys, I adore you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining the stream. I have no idea. Don't take a long right now. Do not hop into a long right now and impulsively buy. Don't do any of that. Thank you guys so much. I don't know what to... I'm gonna obviously keep on trading. VIP channel. Be waiting for a signal. Make sure that you guys have your notifications on. I'm gonna stick to the chart. We might open up a Discord voice call. VIP. I got you guys. Hey, everybody, much love. Please show up tomorrow. Let's try to... I got my internet working. I got everything working. There's no reason we're gonna be here every single stream. Yes, sir. Much love, everybody. I adore you guys. Peace. Peace out, everybody. Much love. See you, boys. Enjoy New York session. Enjoy New York session. Goat Trader, thank you. Arnold, thank you. Cactus. Algo, much love, brother. Pre-London session tomorrow, boys. Pre-London session tomorrow. Pre-London. See ya, sexy. Bye-bye, dummy. Peace out, G. Let me see if I can turn up some music real quick. Why did the music freeze? That was the first freeze we had. A little bit of an internet drop there. Peace out, everybody. See ya, fam. See ya, Darren. Well, we've been talking, Darren. Alright, let's start, everybody. Peace. Oh, how do I close the stream? Dude, working with less screens. I got one screen compared to freaking 4. Which is pretty hard. Like, I don't even know where I'm looking for. Streamlabs, there you go. Much love, everybody. Peace. See ya, boys. See ya. See ya.